zadaka, if I'm not wrong, he job oriented sa arui later he in the mathing we according to 2017 census he the light shoki India needs to India with sports industry he me requires sadakli 11 lakh plus he targa sadakli but 2015 adamli me he feel is the experts field high department field high only 28,000 plus he mang the field high he the chung he vacancy leader thang chu wang na in to me such a Shanghai ban sports he kazathrani the to me RMM samre he then as a sportsman career retire sai no career lefu or chimini gan the academic he line is the like the man he pursue sabai he one of the best career option to me hangai and tam la limit sai reu hi tra stress sabai football or football ja sports hi mang maning la arui itum achar khaba abavana fair sai like thadam mutam kha nali your back number 5 kilometer na sum sha koi which means miya hui career hi lairi ki na lairi ki tam he na your back lui khai mang ne the pning ni ring khai idea ji signal thane but aruhan bara hui ang dakhili career hi ka chung le khai ni hi aru ki tong khar mang paim ne hi music fine arts ki farming ataka chung le de so he explores targa sai chimning everyone cannot become an engineer, everyone cannot become a doctor, scientist kudong he shok paim ne itung be mix saka kudong he society nation is shem ka ji sane jeda iwaru music khangde tra kham hangai ge he atam lam le da cha ba he yo stress hangai ne ko music hila it is one of the best career option he pursues by even you crudely institution jung le re ka thum ga khlei thai ifali le le outside khangde education institution college university integrate he pursues by jung le de and some of the courses for music you mentioned some yoga professional musician if directly you have to involve in music involves function composer if a composer can like them you need good literature you need to think a lot the composer he'll feel new lineups at by and music journalist you have to gather informations and connect the informations related to music producer sound engineer you line you have at least you need to have some science knowledge, physics knowledge. He Malay in the human league, you hang up you will now stop them say. He Kadoka Tada Larynx Nage, Kashi, Avavan, science league, and sing as you push Kasali. Just Kaping guy clean. So at last, the key information, Kili Vakum, sound engineer. He became a sound engineer. Are we earning in terms of lakhs later? He down the he will line leave even he detailed information connects up with better. Are we at together? And the music teacher asked he career shame by and so he mentioned by the chunga later. So if you want to have detailed information, maybe you can sit one-to-one and get the information. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Karidan. Itum le matala gaina hang mere adangana hang gaida the itum le football leg by maning jine yong cover minute panga yong ka kong le hogi ta the ki sao we ka da sai jil itum le interesting sala gai mia ga de na tuming chai li la chỉ cái thằng là dân sớt lấy đấy itum pasal mà thang vai là sao gì cái là itum professional cái sát là giật vai sao gì pasal mà thang vai vang là itum sports cái hi itum cái gì giáo viên rồi ngay người ta lấy đấy cái ta sao là chi itum kharing krakli là chỉ là manat là cái tâm mất man cái sắc là mất cái cái sắc là sam thang vai vong này là chỉ trên gì gì hi là iwi song ngay là edition bị ngay này ninh chỉ là cái này circuit than này itum cái gì cái thằng nào ayar vak ngay lấy sao là azingli hiwi mà thằng chẳng vì cái floor ba chỉ ta vào mi bay itum hi general break và mất lấy lùi sẽ chỉ lấy hai cái vậy itum atam hi management lấy cái tiêu cả phải cái ta lấy hao là bay cho nên itum na ayar vak ngay lấy sao là feel free you may go down vào cái mi bay đây khi cái mà đam này cho nên ở itum mà thằng hi itum sir mayon mi kenam sir mayon mi kenam we na itum khangana samang lu shitre ana ari itum le career in humanities social sciences commerce and related fields hebing hiliana kwemi gi jine sir hi thaiwa village we na nei kachung khanala ma ka thai ma lai samrai da kui thaiwa village chang MA in economics ne hi kala net la clear sa ga hai ocha kani assistant professor department of economics at Pettigrew College and itumli atami kwemi khwai na myori ari in atumli in akha hang hai ban wari itumli media coverage sami dak le hi itum TTE bashina itumli media coverage sami le chena ka jigidana natumna ari mata da phạm mà đào khuyết rồi, cái là mang nào khuyết rồi lấy sai chỉ là nó chấm là YouTube li, chẳng là cái chỉ là yang khuyết mình bài đấy chỉ khi nó chấm li hàng khang ngày này, ở đó atam hi Sir Mayon mi limit li. So let us all welcome Sir Mayon mi, please.
Respectable dignitaries from Tribal Research Institutes, Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills, Government of Manipur, from different departments, functionaries and members of geoscience, and all my dear students gathered here. I'm very, very happy to stand in front of you to share a little knowledge that I have. And I also like to thank the Geoscience Forum for giving me this opportunity, platform, in order to expand or extend the knowledge that we or our society have. I will be using both language, that is Tangkhul and English, and I would like to ask if there is anyone who cannot understand Tangkhul dialect. No one, right? So I'll be mixing both dialect, okay? English as well as Tangkhul. So, career counseling. I think I may not use this mic, okay? I may go here and there. So, I may probably not use this, and if you cannot hear me, please raise your hand, okay? Let us try to have a very interactive sessions. I'm asked to cover science and commerce streams, arts and commerce streams, and which is not at all possible to complete within given time, all allotted times, 25 minutes. So I may request our moderators to at least give me another 10 or 15 minutes, okay? Career counseling, as one of our dignitaries have already asked, what is actually career counseling? What do you mean by career counseling? Career counseling hi kido, what is career? Career gachi hi gachido, gachi ngahan hai re yang. Chene iwa mixara sare, straight away question lang hanra sare. Yeah? So let us all be prepared, okay? So first, arts background win mi kya kara to lai na thumya bang na pat khang ming ra arts background yes arts commerce okay so the rest are science right fine let us start with a very famous person quotations. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you have not found yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Steve Jobs. Keep along the Steve Jobs thay do. Steve Jobs thay jibing. Good, very good. Ana hang khai tui ne. Khi khang do. Nan the what ka sa ki ji ka. Nan sa de klei what ba hi di le shi lo ji no wa. Nan the sa de klei what ba hi di le shi lo. Lo ka na ma sam phung rang nei nan the sa ngai wa ji. Ma sam phung rang nei jai ka. Mang sam na ka sa lo se der ma sa lo ji lo. Ya. Asuma sama man jen ung dara sam ma re yang. Then now let us come to it. Theory of survival of the fittest. Science the now Darwin theory of evolution is the guide to dong na. Thay the le yang. Organism in very common. Because it is no longer only organisms. It equally applies to human beings. No, in society, you should be fit enough. The creative destruction, the Joseph's competitor, the economics, Austrian economics, creative destruction of process. Itum we totally relevant salaka hai yang creative destructions of process gaji kali kahang kala jika masala khai do tu yer bing je asum na tum internet li ung la ko ung yang bai re ka deu ka thuk mai de wa ngai bing yang creative destruction of process gaji lei de khlai wat bing hi matha khamai chin na continue sala kai na siman nga sakhai ga matha khamai shok khang nga sak. For example, mobile phone hi atama khali black and white dai nam lai sa do keypad dai na ara black and white ji lai fu ye kha tha la chung khamai na ka la ji ga black and white masing lu ji de la smartphone ne je ka smartphone li matha khamai 4G win the 5G ra dai ra yang speed processor tha khamai ji da continue sala gen na khalai ji that is what we call creative destructions of process ka ji ne Joseph's comes better na khang ne ithum hi he we totally delay kajine itum hi competitive sana kai we totally delay nana in a society akali nganing da khaya gala kai mi rin ring ge ga na I khi sang I kla ge ji itum aju we hi na ling sa seng jin yang art stream iram shong li jena arts ka equipping discourage ma sa ba ngo iram shong li art stream ne ji ga ki do lai ma them na ga ji bing mong da na ga ji bing yang offers very popular yang popular sala khai course chi ka in the context of India it is underrated underestimated and of course opted by majority without knowing the superiority of the subjects in a 2 year superiority the shikajin kwang rom thai asuma na thum da man ka arts na khim mai sak lag ji hi ung tara sara let us come back to it afterwards okay jen hili art stream genera khim mai le do offers these are few popular art streams subject specific okay fine chilima gzang la laigap ta le re ka hi ping hin na thum na ri roughly thai ga bai asam ga tha da wa chang bai ka khi institution na matha mai ga na arts kui ga khi sa bai da le la ka arts we thrui na ka tha bai da le kla gi hi so briefly mi ka hai slightly mi khai ping hi ping hi ne gi ne ka chung kha lai fe chang ga bai ka Adam Sef Sak Vai de Hisa Kanye. Let us come back to it. Now, superiority the in a 2 year hilishi kichinji, he wangla jiga country akali lan gachung kalai salala lan chi kathada or for that matter natural resources gachung kalai salala natural resources kathada shichin rakla da plan sami khawai or natural resources ka tha mai ta ma tha mai ta to the fullest li shi chin rakla da Sami kawai example economics. Law matada leilaga rules and regulation matada leilaga country akawi law matang saklaga later clay resources si aka aina aka maron mrat ngasakla kuishok laga katada country resang sakla klagji. For example, political science subject. Acho khiwangina Manipur khonsok haudo. What is the reason that we have a ethnic crisis problems in Manipur? If we try to find, there are so many factors, but one factor is history clear masad lemde. We don't have, history matalaka historians malayda lemde. Tiger art subject important masad le. Yang art subject hi matsang to rejaiga complete masabai gaji. Yang kachung kalai fuega adam malay to the tada chipachi tang saze. Commerce stream. Offers commerce stream hi kachi kathana quickly jigai tumla thaise re kateu ka average or kateu ka them kamai average li chui kamai ping mostly commerce stream va khuye miangai da le meaning la job oriented sala kai commerce stream hi laga achu we octoli atang issue speaker ak na ngai re yang commerce kachi itum nui chang offers itum ten ka tha dam le commerce sai ra sai ka chui mamangli commerce kachi popular masa namde arena popular sa khangai sa dale de yang china popularity in contemporary world hi ba hi average or average kadeu ka sim khurli la ri kadeu ka them me jega the science mo khur ka commerce khyo lo ne chi le de si chong ning ma chi tha do arts ping ni ba da third chok le arts ba lo yang ka arts wi ka chang kat wi subject scope pa ji ma khayang Maka yang, arts girl ne, the pass hour on the yang, asimo ungdarasa, dum the lega. Fine. So chita agent. Now let us go to next slide. So popular course, BA honors, education, economics, English, foreign language, geography, history, journalism, mass communications, mathematics, political science, philosophy, physical education, psychology, sociology, BA, LLB, BA program, etc. You are having a various options to take in art stream. Yeah? Like gadeo sabai the mathematics katembing, for example, economically, yeah? Law and order matalagina if a country akawi law hi matada thingai country akawi functioning katalagdale katada zangaikla the interest later labing example political science as history hi ne inte we history mom tablung dura inte we history or maninga ka ishi chong we history shi tangkhul we history le shi naka we history la history hi mung talak dura I historian na kaza history tam laga research sa laga kamata publication me laga history confused later le in a doubts in a clear sa mi ga chi tha da ka chung khalai da le ji ne journalism mass communication journalisms asuma we next slightly aka in a unghang sara BA LLB important sala kai art stream wina ka chung khalai da le ji ne taiga art stream hi ping khui khawai na matha mai kap ka chi inte we college li ka tha da tam rak la ji ne and what is the eligibility criteria na matha mai kap ka chi college chi li ka tha da wa rak la ji ne wa chang rak la ji ne CUET mi kyak na sai ra CUET ma shala kai ra ki to full form hanging ra can one of you tell me what is the full form of CUET Central University entrance test ka ji ne ning na chipa chi we throw in a clear sa laga ara NEP ra ta ho ki da ka dong CUET throw in na college kam thali wa chi we throw in zadra chi we throw in zangra exceptional notice India li ari CUET hi chung khamai na tada mayami fadale CUET mathalala atama khaliwa 10 years we deliver ishi even notice India li indang da CUET examination maning aka na we graduation course matam bai maki ji go je na ji pa ji the ser lo na thum kai khana plan sa de like even next year I'll go to SRCC Saint Stephen College Hindu College Kirori Mar College li wara da machuk de le aga na thumi February March ka thali CUET online form fill up hisa laga CUET entrance examination thalaga jangi ji ko Okay, career options. He adungli mi khai career option ka chung khalai dale. I won't go all. I will just tada explain to all three chiwin na thum tada na thum khle ta oh ya khle de le la mok chi yang kui lo shana ka rui la ka chung khle de le yang ka ina bureaucrats iram shongwa conventional salakai traditional salakai athang wi li kai kana ma thui hai le yang na ong ra ping na athum wi interest power na ta hingai na cha ji kha awa na wa IAS sab lung ra IBS sab lung ra MCA sab lung ra MBA sab lung ra ki ji le de la ma shung ai tha la kai IAS IBS MCS ma le thu re je ka ithum system li ma chang bai ma ne athum na administration sing hau ki da athum wi pang ni ki chung kha le ye ram now ram akha or society akha wi wang IAS officer akha na sami ka shap ka chi ka mahang khar ka chung ka lai dak lai ne chi ba chi wa detail ma wa sai ashama next adam na le sa ga teu ka zeng ka vai wa sa sai academicians ithum wili academicians ka chi hi ithum ocha group hi mi ka chung khana khido ari hon wa ocha ma sangai rok thur de the reason is that por ma le lak ka chi pang shap ma le lak ka chi yang society li zeng la na li wa ma thai mi phut ka chi kha wa ma lai do ye ishi society li kha wa lai ha ra de yang ka ka chang khat ka them thang ka mai produce sa ka vai ki pa ka na do o cha ma ka na de le for example in the context of our Tangkhul community we don't have physics professor we don't have chemistry professor we may have but very few yang professor gachi we wrangly physics chemistry mathematically tammi khwai mi ma lai da lai ma wa chi thai ga ithum ka tha da khang dai we mi yurli compete sa ro chia khane yang chene academician gachi la ithum hi ba yi kha khama juk pai academician gachi na ari hon wa if you see young da le aka India li matha mai kap gachi private school akhalai le wa Masuri Udaran Khan li yang lagari Mukesh Ambani long shi school bingje athum shili ocha sa tak le kum khale athum tolop kya khamro kaisa ingra 30 lakhs plus de athum salary Taigan na them de le ka na interest le de le ka chila noble sala khai profession sa khanai gi chine bankers of course bankers ka china khipalong li khang do bank managers ping li mning la ka chung ka le de le atam le tu de I khang dei ping ji mata lu ke I wi slide thi a shi we na sam phang mi bai ra la ka na thum na ma ka thai na thum na confuse ka sa le ka iwa 24/7 available ka sa tha ne lai ri link han ke ji ka Jena, I'm available. You may call me up. Yeah? Next. Hipa hiva athang gatio me kasai ra adamale to the taka we literary arts the magical na kimetam do poetry, creative writing, script writing, performing arts the magical, dance, music, singing, theater, martial arts, camps and culinary arts, animations, camp designing, visual arts, photography, painting, drawing, interior design, sculpture, yeah. Chiba chi tada asham na thum slide chi chi wena khui laga magathe ki ka le kang han khai le kang han ra sa bai ra next so in Delhi college khamtha ga chi katha organization na declare sami khibashi we college na matha mai kap khala ga chi National Institutional Ranking Framework the NIRF the le Hiwi in a quick high share number 5 in a dung of a mushungai, Chiwiti liver in a gaika mix up like a Kasang Kaine. So 2023 art streamly Matama Kapgachi College Gachi Miranda House. It is in University of Delhi. Adang Miranda House li katam ngai gajibingna hisara klajiga you have to give CUET entrance examination yang Central University entrance examination CUET li Hindu College Presidency College Tamil Nadu BSGR Krishna Mal College for Women Tamil Nadu St. Xavier College West Bengal St. Stephen College University of Delhi na percentage lamata kalana shaplung declare sa shabda CUET shock like a hipping list, some pangajiga vatam sangai. Other than that, hima kaning pingli, some pangajiga, there is nothing wrong studying in our own state. Because NEP rao kita National Education Policy 2020 liva all over India almost the same syllabus ne. Delhi University syllabus na hi Manipur University we syllabus khangdai ka chung kamal lai da lai mane yang chi ba chi khathai se. Ta ka khangdai bing chi ya ya da na thum na ashma ta da yang ai kha yang naw lo. Okay, so integrated law course. National Law School of India University Chibachikali Lekla Jiga Bangalore li National Law University New Delhi li Symbiosis Law College Pune li Narsar University of Law Hyderabad li Laga Kangde Pingchiva da Ashama yang atam lekha yang room now say yang China Mass Communications Films and Television Studies called Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. Number 1 in the Institutes of Mass Communication, Film and Television Studies, Kolkata, West Bengal. Lady Shriram College for Women, New Delhi. IIMC Delhi, Delhi College of Arts and Commerce. I was there as an assistant professor. Starting from 2012 till 2018 in the Ichilipum Sai, college society, Baji, Rahul Kunal, Inte, today we Paul Makeup Kachi, Ankle journalist Baji in the Pumgasa College, Winnica Shong Yang, Taka Chipping, Best Performing Arts College in India, names Chaipol, Banaras Hindu University, Tada Chipping Jiashama, Natum. Ning Zang Blong de Leaka, Natum Tam Hai Laga, Slight Chiquilaga, Tadang Hanmi by Re. Adangina. Hili, yes. Mass communications, journalism, katamping na kima may sabay gla kaji hili azingli la zangay ne ka ina kang journalist, ankle journalist kaji hi ariri ishi Northeast India wena Arnab Goswami kaji hi Republic TV we chief editor ne awi aming mashala kay random. Arnab Goswami, news ma yung do. What is his surname, you know? Are we kum khali, are we tolop chikya kam rom the? 12 crores. Crore trad khani. Itum government li sang dak lebing na kum maku earn sa la makam gichi. Yang, chana journalism kuya ka, na pao da na sa shab da la ka, na hi akhal thui sa ba ye gichi ne. Taiga adangui BALLB the zang dak leji integrated course ne na Bachelor of Law hi kuega India li na tum ada thiai yang Ram Chetmalami mashado India we ka papa advocate are we earning ka tham rom the ana akashi court lika khning he paisa kya khuim rom the to 25 lakhs lakh mukoda phangani jigo the Gari India of Makeup the clapping. Courtly Akashira Lagana, Blit Rasaragachi, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs, that's a declator. Janatan, arts papery quishap the Kuyaka, Matata Kueka, Mina earn massacre like a chunka earns up by Jiliang, Pabda Layang, the Tom Jim Tatang Malo. Okay. Okay. Commerce Commerce stream kuila gana kim sabay do BCom honors and BCom programs kui pa jine. Career options na kim do charter accountants, company secretary, tax consultants, auditor, investment bankers, financial analyst, sales analyst, etc. Kachum khalai da le. Government wili ma zang la ya. Government wili ma zang la da kachum ka sa ka bai le da le ne thom yang. Chena hi ka thaka commerce kuita claiming na ara khunuk wakli pam da khalai thai da vai commerce ping je ara na thom na India li the commerce hi pashi college ma mai na matha mai gap lag chi yangai da le ka hi ping hi ne Shriram College of Commerce yeah Lady Shriram College Hindu College Hansras College Mithabai College Kirori Mar College Daulatram College Chung College Chishat Khaleli Tharogo University of Delhi ne go. So, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Khi khang do, ka tong pa tan lai re yang, 기반의 강도 아브라함 링컨 아나 캬글지가 너 future 그는 태양이 제가 너 클러든 크레이트 사클로 지내와 양 next akli hangfe in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity na choda kaya tamni na akla sayang laga as ko thawni klyang da klai tamni chili opportunity rise ko kibana khang Albert Einstein yang ka them ping na khang ser ko chi ping ji na thum kot sangai ka kot sa laga na thum we mirinly apply sa pai da la ka ung sa ying lo yo next attribute to lead a successful life na successful sala kai mirin ringai ji ka characteristic attribute ka na ki characteristic lei plung rak le chine what are the characteristics that is required to lead a successful life ka chine ta ka kido number 1 sincerity number 2 hard work number 3 goal oriented number 4 persistence number 5 discipline number 6 determinations kachung khlai fo ye kai na ko sa da khlai ping ba ka tiu tiu ta da thai bai ka vai ka tong na thai bai ka vai ka chine na dom smart reading ka chi mi chala khai ra shai rem ning ra lai ka dam na sen da smart ka chi wi full abbreviation form hi khido ma thai ra specific measurable achievable relevant and time bound ka chung ka detail explain masalim ra ka hiping hin thum na la ung ma chuging lo okay iram chong wa thang khang thau la avwa wa ping ka tong na ai sang sangai dai ibs sang sangai dai ning la avwa ka tong na government kari li ngam thung in za la ga bodyguard sang ka fo la ga za chi iram chong wa jing ning jang rok da la yang maning jang do no to mi li ra dak le ping la ais police akawa hili ka za thai da le ga hiwak la khani ka tum hiwak la khani ka tum mangali da za le ga sangai wei ka chi wa sang ser le rem ning la this is the laga mrp na card salaga mangala kari khunuk la kari tada kari mangai na ali card salaga ka za chi yanga ka sangai ser de la mom shung do chung ka mai na sangai de le re kama sa khar chung khang ka chung ka na sara da sala ma sara ma da lastly mong da bu put ka chi mi rin ring khai la mak lai mning ko le ko thai ga chi sa ka vai na ka chi ka tha exam tha rak la chi ne political science student zanga ga article 315 hi ma thala in ong ba mi lo 315 16 17 18 19 till 25 in dang da ta ga public service commission for the union and the states ka chi ne thai ga union ka chi na IAS ka tha IBS ka tha IFS ka tha hi ka chi ka tha or agency or organization or body na commission na conduct sakla jiga na civil servants are jega hiping hi na conduct ka sa examination hi na clear sa blung re jine pamta la ya ta ga union public service commission china all india wine state public service commission adang we mcs ka da mbs ka da shokai laga kum chishat lai hai laga kum thara wi thili thra ta phanga wi thili or say 10 years wi thili is convert wasa thui khai ibs convert wasa thui khai ha fine taiga staff selection commission ssc na kachi ka tha wat pam recruit sak la jika group b candidate sang hai ra ra chung khamai group b c d ubac na group a chung khamai ka sa ne yang group B, C, D what me staff selection commission gachina kasako fine yes all India service mashala khai do no all India service gaji taga hili yang agam thai le all India service India li ka thumang lai ko iram shongwa mathaim da kachung khan dang ni paisne this is more or less even chike general knowledge we class ka thane yeah all India service ka ji IAS Indian administrative service Indian police service IFS Indian forest service yeah chi ka thum go ta ga na IAS clear sai go professionally ko pleo da na khiwat pam mong phung lak la ji ne no we starting what pam chi khik la ji ne STO STM what is the full form of STO huh thấy sao lại mình là chỉ vì thế last academy mi akamang na phungki cái chiwat bom cabinet secretary the senior most yang senior most na phungki chiwat bom na chigo thaka IBS lina STPO cái khali deputy superintendent of police da la chate yang cái khali ngatai da SCP china la zara academy director general of police director of intelligence bureau Director of CBI the retired Vatsat Paijine. IFS na Assistant Conservator of Forest way na Principal Chief Conservator of Forestly retired Gazat Egine. Come Matame the Taibai Kawai Hila Yangsane. Maningla. Na UPSC Shokai Laga IAS Shoke Chega. Firstly na Subdivisional Magistrate SDM. Or sub-divisional official STO ung kapung adam li district administration ni ung zanga ka STM state li zanga ka under secretary center li zanga ka assistant secretary ka jine no we tolop chi no we basic pay chi kya kaina bokla chiga 56,000 chili khangate ka chung ka etsafra no we HRA ne no we dearness allowance ne no we traveling allowance ka chung ka ra etsafra hi thada Vashum laga nextly sorry. It was slide chichi mazang yang 2,50,000 the cabinet secretary. Chili ka tangge jigo hi thada ka ye ge jine da na thum yang ai ka asma thada slide chi khui laga yang nawlo. Police. Iram shongwa police we sira la phap madang rong dai mning la ma thai der de le chi yang kra ji He buy IBS pingli kango. IBS pingli kai kind of IBS laga ki fangin sira kamang thanglak ji mil jang vajin da ka professionally sa da laga a professionally sa da laga ali assistant superintendent of police da professionally 1 year of service li ali assistant superintendent of police da khamia adam li awi hi sira khaka ki jidla yang next li na 2 years with probation with hili sira khani ga gaidla taga DSP ga ji STPO SCP yang district li ta ka STPO commissionerate of police li zanga kai SCP da Delhi ka thali we SCP da ji ni yang ji da da sira ka thum rai ji ne Ashok rak le da additional superintendent of police taga kamama na ka lastly director general of police ka kale ki sang de le do Ashok ina ra khaim sang de le ji tha da zate gi ji ne are hi yang khui laga na thum police akhawa ka the aga ush hi ba hi ha khai de te wai de ji thai bai ole mning la hi colorly athum we colorly hili sira mong ina gajigra ta hi re jaga athumi superintendent of police we atung senior superintendent of police or DIG na ji ha phok khai ne gi ji ne ji la thai pha da lam ning la fine next types of civil service athang na UPSC preliminary exams mains exam da khami ba we exam tha laga na shok aka hi tha da ra ta ye gi ji ne firstly all India service li rank matha mai gop kachibing li ara IFS bang te da khwe ra yang rank matha mai gop kachibing li Indian administrative service mi ji la example rank 1 to 10 ni jang da la ka chiwi thili chiwi nextly Indian foreign service da lai fe chi ba ji sampang laga nextly Indian police service rank we athishur da nara sampang ra sa gi ji la yang te ba hi wa hi ka chung ka hang ka atam chung na zang aw yang chena tha da hi na thum la hi ba hi roughly tha da yang khui lo yang hi group A civil service ping ne example no Indian foreign service Indian audit and account service IAAS tangkhul nau shok khai le dai retired zat khai ma thai lak do ma sha lak ocha sword vashum ma sha yang taiga details sa kai thum adam chang naw yang chena jiba ji thada na thum asma yang naw lo next group B civil service li armed forces headquarters service ta lei bai Danips Pondicherry civil service Pondicherry police service ye na shili hyang man naga ishi aju career counseling ra chang dak lai bing win mi ka chung ka shok kha tada ring ka phamang ning la ka teu kha vai si la vai xiao la vai de vai ina hang me de ka shong ne je hai vai si ne ji ne nang de le ba ba fine hi nei ka chi ne mayang ping wa ra a dang wo UPSC ko phai re mayang ping wa SSC CGL ka ji staff selection commission combined graduate levels ka ji chiwi examination ni UPSC ma shok khar ka chung ka nei ba hi ong try sa ji de la vai hi ong try sa la ga ara group P cadet officer ka ji non minister na hi ra dam ma sang lai kum thara ka thamang ka fd lai ra hi wi wat pum 1 2 3 4 in dang da crew 1 2 first khani hi at sa dam ma sang ra hi khani wa cadet officer boss ne khang de ping ba wa naw da ka naw gi ji ne yam ta ga na thum na interest de ga hi ba hi la SSC tha la ga SSC CGL tha la ga shock a kha I khi wat pam ma mai khui bai de lai I wi marks a thi shur da I ka li wa chang bai de lai gla ji hi ba hi da de yang bai next hi ba hi ka chung khane I ka dong am wa lu ge da na thum ni thai ka bai da sa khamin ya banking sector jobs I thum dang khru naw bing wa I shina ka naw bing wa even banking li ai na dang de I thum mi ma chung da laim de chi wang ina mi ma chung thu ki da I thum wi abam li chi mi ka chung kham lai thu ki da I thum na facilities naw tio mai ka enjoy sa ka bai khui ka bai nang da la knowledge m lai thu da ka chung kam ma ka khui la lai bam da lai de yang chen na banking li chang ai ja ka banking wi job ma chai li prestigious sa mai kap ka chi chu mai kap bai da ka khui ki bank ni chang la je ne Reserve Bank of India RBI li wat sai ja ka RBI ne recruit ka sai grade B yang generally sports specialist sports tang vai grade B ai na hau ko phok ka ji no wi hau ko phok to lob chi kya ka ina phok rom thai sa ngai mi ma jang de lai RBI li pang mai ji mi ma jang de lai no wi to lob hau ko phok chi lupa lak a kha plus ina phok ra sa ra yang fine next na part tam shala kai ra shai re yang National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development hiba hi la next tada RBI we nextly khamata khane da chi la khui ji yang like nextly public sector commercial bank can any one of you tell me one public sector commercial bank mya khana hang mi bai lai lia lui ha mya khana hang yang ra as issue ma jing lak ji la ukhru bank hi mai le lai do Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India, yang private commercial bank, cooperative bank, regional bank, yang adam lai tu dai tada ki ka sao ke IBBS ka ji hi Institutes of Banking Personnel Selection ka ji ne nan da banking sector li jang ga ji ka RBI ma khaning na part ma khaning khang tai wa ka tong hi wi throin na examination mi la ga changi ka ji ne hili BO da chang dak lai ji ki ji do Personal selection sangai liang ka BO ji banking li BO ji ka li khangla ji ga professional officers na manager how sao ro ji wi how ko phok wi ko fine hi na ku phau sai ka hi ba hi atam ka shuna ka khi ka sa la ga hi khak ngrew mi lo cho ta da per click sa mi lo ji wi le play sa mi lo cho hi ba hi yang la ga I thum ka tha da society li ya really khaya ka lagi na ring rak la ka tha da ho na rak la ga ji ba hi yang la ga ta da I thum go dong ma chuk rum khwai sa se la ga I wi space wa hi na ko ba rai na thum na ma ka thai le la ki ka lai ga ngan ra sa lo jo thank you
nên xí ri ishi sir mayon mi kainam li itum li job oriented sala gai la itum li matala gai nang me ri economic way faculty sa jang hai da even house rent DA dang dei itum li matala gai nang mi le jang chi ngan nui da clay now snow bing ma thai sa mo vai ka ot pam li jang ning gai ping wang wa chi sakla gai na kui ji ni je na na tum la ot sabok kai adam dharan li wa na thum ji calculation matala in sabok au re sam go phang la sam bang bo mau re che na sir mayon mi na itum li matala gai na hili slide in ang soda kap laga itum li tam mi gai ji itum matala gai na record size ase class 11 12 ka laga itum graduation ka master ka laga itum chiwe otpam je samang kui ga pai wi ka tong hili che mi gai ne kala chongfuli zada ga dang sir na hang gai da da hili nap kai je chi khaning share yang gi ji ko chi mani nga ga sa shi la gai na zum le ashama tum na response mira sa pai ngasan lang ngasan nei kai ji itum matala gai na ga thela da gar sai ka da na zum le sik ta lai ga lum da lai do sik ta lai ye mà lùm ngay to lùm ngay mấy phụ lắm lại này kia bóng ấy là lùm xí to à bóng à hay ra ha tên sang ai à à thằng người chỉ lấy tên mà rằng từ tên sang ai cái chân này à nó tụm li nên cái rằng là cái chung cái lấy phát sa lùm cái vai à bóng là cái chung cái là bay cái là chẳng trên là ra sao đấy cái ari mà tay là cái nó sermon mi vang itum ya rồi sai cô nó cái bằng cái phê mi gì thank you sir ara itum mathang zata vai sa se lum mai khar gai na tum sikai ri je da lum vai bong ra dau gi ni je na ka da adang ra jang gai li gi jik tha ba the ra bai jang ishi a che no adang la hangai re ishi miss kibado pang mai dang se ai ji thai sir le la ge ji miss win so chamroy ai ki khnau do ai thai sir le la ga na tum ye lại được mang mình này vô nó tụm lỡ cái thằng lấy chỉ lang na sớt lấy vô chẳng ishi Miss Win Sole Akishi cái tông nó welcome sao cái gì itum hi hi arui itum kani do ding jaili renowned artist la ko chẳng akon la mathala cái performance la mathala cái chẳng itum cái tông nó ning chẳng la cái hai là show cái này trên là sai con là lucy Akishi pang cái là cái welcome sao cái lucy cho Miss Win Sole cho
check, hello check. Hello check. 1 2 check. 식들어예. Have you ever seen the range 공묘? 사태이잖아요, 어제. 까마이 로데나 사오세요. 사오세요. 이 위라리 mất sân thôi chứ nữa. Đi sao sao? 기사 다시 시계 exercise 다시라 ngninga serious lai shi o mengninga ngai tu sai 다들 ngninga laga icha sa ngai sa ne stretch sa ngai da sa cross ari tuna pom ngai ka pom bai ngninga ka la thada ngning bai
lùm mày chăng chế Miss Winslow vàng ác sĩ bằng Merlin cái phim lưu shit phụ xe career counseling hay cái đó liver arui chỉ là khi đó khi lý trình đó thằng hàng ai đấy ha ấy thằng mày vocal chăng vocal music hay cái đó hay thằng chỉ là cục lá cái này vào tra khám vào rồi cái thằng sao là chỉ rằng sợ được lấy này chỉ là mất nín nín ngày chăng làm sao thấy ngay khơi sao thấy ngay chăng ấy tụi nó tụi ta lên là cái vở bathroom gì pura concert room nó tụi nó sao liền lên đêm này chăng chỉ là đó sao sai ring pha lạc gì này làm mà sao cái tụi mình chăng nín hi ta ri mà gì cái đây là cái nhà rồi là nó tụi cái thà bình gì chăng example sao cơ chế là la cái gì hi tụi mình motivate sang cái là tụi mình relax sang cái anxiety cái东西tụi mình shman cái chăng stress cái东西tụi mình shman cái mất shman cái đó thằng cha cái xịt cái hai chốt cái hai tàu sa cái hai nên ngay bình gì họ chạm đi chăng nó tụi mình làm thà sợi đi chứ thằng cái tiêu cái thà rằng đấy được khi nào liang được phải sao chứ này cái nó tụi mình chỉ cầm thà làm cái sao đi sợi anh là ring phai ning xé đấy nó tụm nó là mà thà lại bằng cái phía là cơ người nào mình cái vi vang ao mà thu này nên tụm lên ning xé chẳng ring phai khi ta đây tụm lồng la cái nè sa cái gì này rồi mà thằng li Miss Winston là lùi ra sao lùi đó chứ nó tụm tiêu cái khi cái người ăn mà này sao tụm cái ta đó response sang ngay cái gì bao giờ chẳng chứ nó mà thằng li rồi ít tụm khi cái gì nè success story chăng itom success story nang soda itom ngana rom kawai sao re che na chi mara chawrang la ka ishi Miss Winsoli kif now ge te now ka mingai le ko che na ishi we Dr. Horting ishi we general secretary le sa pom de ana kikali Winsoli na we kif ke tiao now chi agashi minar hawra no cái phone sao đó chỉ ishi Winston ăn xí chọc khí miao rồi nó ishi cho họ tìm quên nè thằng chú yêu rồi bằng này bằng về mình gì thằng ishi cái cái presentation mà tâm gì chỉ bảo chỉ lý cái ishi cái nào Winston là nào mới được right đó rồi mình thì cái vị trí này chẳng chế nào rồi itum success story hi itum Dr. Horting vizimic hi sirar kongwen này healing ning bom hai rồi chẳng chế là sirar kongwen này ava nó zum nang ni le cái itum le nào nào le cái sang ai le cái scientist bằng lại hàng sao đấy chẳng mình chỉ cái thằng này chế nữa ari hi CSIR we Zingli Clay chẳng National Institute of Oceanography Kuala Clay Institute đó này Chile scientist sao đó lấy được lấy này successful sao là cái hay item cái này thôi aga papam này chẳng chế nè và PhD là cục cái này IIT kika Bhubaneswar way nè doctorate cục sang quy cái là postdoc là sao cái hay yaro nào cái này IIT Gantinagar way nè chẳng chế nè anh our success story gì item lấy khôn aga item lấy motivate sang sa khwai ana tam kire ya risai ko runa sir hoardingly welcome sagui.
Thank you very much. Now comes the boring part. Ringpana ye na tumutong na ita derami de klei hi, and as you see, si gutong a mix up side re in the sense a lot of talking and now success story kan thumli tada timing ai the cheering ai the tong hi sangai ne. So I'm here to share my success and also my struggles in between. As I have lived in I would like to do a basic math exercise. First, in class 12 in Atangda, we study for 14 years, and graduation 3 years, and then masters 2 years, and then I did my doctor of philosophy. That was almost 6 years, and I did 2 postdoc, actually 2.5 years. Chuitungli akshi drop out sa gai lezang, akshi break sa gai break kui gai lezang. That's the amount of time I have invested my time in years in education and research. Like after that, we post as a scientist. So for me, it is a long journey. It's a journey of struggles and, like I said, success now. Throughout my high school, maths was my favorite subject. Like when I was in class 11, I got 0 in maths. Strange, right? I got 0 in maths. And then when I was doing my first year graduation in BSc, honors in chemistry, I was like totally lost. I dropped out. There was that time in my life, there comes a long realization, like a machuklui, like a ihi mahitha paimira. I was struggling with intoxicants, peer pressure, topico, all this. The control sasai. So I decided to take a turn and I decided to move on in my life. I said I cannot give up, and so I will not give up the Itzatvatyawe. And then when I was during my graduation, 3:45 in the class lay 8:30 to 3:45, 4:30 to 7:30 I was a home tutor, batch kathum, yeah. So every day that was like that for 3 years. But eventually when I appeared my final exam after 3 years, I did well. I was successful. Class 12 liver, my only thing was to study, but I still did not do well. But in my graduation, I thought it would time the tight sanaye, but still I managed to do well. So the difference is that ning hilinewa. I was the same person in class 12 and even in graduation. And then moving on, masters atamli masters wajang leuda, I had targets that I will do this and that. Chili masters wajang laga, that is where I cleared GRF 2 times. Chili clear vasakui. But I was the same person. I think 0 go kuibaji, I was the same person. Jena after that I moved to IIT Bhubaneswar. IIT litamai lake. I was not confident enough, and I don't know the way also. I think there is already the way. No confidence, it's up to you, right? Build up sakui. And then, like I said, I did my PhD from Bhubaneswar. Sikkim University postdoc sa laga IIT Gandhinagar li second postdoc wasai. The iatang 0 go kuibana, I am able to make it to 2 IITs. So I think that it is determination. It is not the or you may not get 0. I was the one, maybe I was too bad that I got 0. You can do well in life. Stable isotopes, energy, as such geothermal energy specialization. Research motivate sasaka. Are you on climate change? We issue we hear everything. That in the school we project competition climate change. It's one hot topic. Climate change greenhouse gases. And when you talk about greenhouse gases, you are concentrating on carbon dioxide. Factory being in carbon dioxide. So what in this generation research hot factory na carbon dioxide capture rasa carbon dioxide shock stores how store sa gai with the storm cycle chi ngalai wi ajing li ngalung gui thali nam sangai ne the other way around ter ye oceanography li research sa dak len yang samatru li the samatru alungli carbon dioxide ji sangau jin daga thang issue climate change oktoi sa sang dak leji atung ma kala ajing li sangai ne very interesting research na thumla later on in your life if you want to do machung man se Ari ocean 70% area covers high. Only 5% has been studied. 95% study msarangai. Itum na ukruli katang ji. We just keep on talking. Ka research am tadam samane yang. So I think interdisciplinary research management in la scientifically la tong ngarum laga solve sa ji problem makhane. Atam ja kham lem da phat chadau ke. Ara I inatang gang da for a long time I did research. My family background, I come from a very difficult condition. Now Tharane, my father retired when I was in high school, so it was very difficult. Now you must be thinking, the difficult saga ahiran kagata the tamjikle de in the sense, after my masters, for the last almost 10 years, I've been getting scholarships, CSIR, DST, MHRD in scholarships, last 10 years. When I did accounting, it was almost more than 30 lakhs scholarships. So don't get discouraged if your family condition, financial condition is not in a good state. There will always be a way. Ara itum India li CSIR Institute hi 37 lejine Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. Hili 3,500 scientists katale. And how many Tangkhuls are there? Tangkhul now hiran ka science damrai laga how many scientists are there? Unfortunately, there's only one. IIT 23 laye. How many permanent faculties are there? 0. We came here, we contacted this program with the sense of urgency. We understand that, but there is this need. The people issue slumber here condition that we have come here with the sense of urgency. Itum success story in a mention we have Tangkhul's now being here. We are very good in talking as such. But you see, even in our Tangkhul Geoscience forum, Mr. Ngazitmi, our geologist sadly, 22 years in the UPSC geologist exam clear exam. Or Mirin Singh now me 24, 25 in a exam clear exam. UPSC we condition clearly amazing look 22 years. Wormila adjustment casing 22 years. But sadala what some by for me 29 years education invest saula. So I got my job after my 30. Much after my 30. In every that journey he much up jamane Kai can attack with the Sambangre, Kai can made the Sambangre, let me one the 24 and the assistant professor Sambangre. So, Katong churning a teire, journeying a tailor, if you are dedicated, nahi salagra the winningly, Machuko Kujileaka, Sangla la Silla, I think you can carry on. Research Sangaka Sang Mereka Kate direct after your masters, after your graduation, and what Sangayaka you can do that also. BHG sagzang football wrong. As a kid also I wanted to play. In a PhD satamli I participated in 2 inter-IIT sports meet. All this running inter-college meet ne. Jilikhanishi participates I like singing, I sing. I like writing songs. I used to write songs. What I'm trying to say is there are those things I like it, but I'm not good. If I don't like it and if I say, since I like it, I'm not going to make it. But I know I'm good in science. I know I'm good in maths. I think we need to do the masak the latang. Jadi ina natum tong urge sangaya gaja. Natum best natum ki sate galaje kapangwilakse. Ajo options ya mitaire. Wazang sagazang say. Mati pangalazang sarase. Kajili priority semgulagan choose sakwilakse jijangaya. Lastly, for the last 2 days, I have been visiting schools. School if you want my contact number, if you want my email, please approach me. Later on in your life, no, we really ili contact sang ha tam rar saka, I will be available. Kajibava, I think career guidance hiva one day lik tong impart sa ila saklake. That in my line of work, if anybody is interested to talk to me personally or through mails or calls, I am available. I will be available if you're interested. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sir Hoting, for your motivational speech and your success story. Itum getong na ring phala kai na query chi itum iwang pegar kar kui bai kwai kharjan ne chena itum na kui gai sha kui gai ji achu iwang mang mang sa gi ji ne ka ji cha we chongza li apply masa bai klag ji itum kladana hona sir ji sa bai sir re ka leitum na successful student abung sasar gawai itum hotna from rugji na tumli iwi shongin la hang khangai ni ning sila kai re sir hoting liak shi pang mer line ga family shi se kanui thot wa long li kala tam shi dak le tam li matai la kai na hida da higher secondary level jang dak le tam itarani li itum hi theising ga khui kala channel ji ga shong war ka da dei itum na tam war ji ba hi mathai sing guya khaba itum lai ga tam ji mangai na ga tam sa sa bai tam ga guya tam dharan ya thana example hang ro khai re di jang is resource person wi ngai chaina la chaina ga shopai nang da itum tam mi dak le hang mi dak le ga shopai nang da itum phapta sing gui la ga itum class 11 12 ka dak le hi na step quick vai ka ji itum ga tong na hot na wi sir se ji hi na tum ni la po khangai ni ara na tum hi cho thai ra ga mu cho thai ra do cho thai ra la bai yang ga cho ba jang ka ta sa la okay itum hi ara na tum li la ka ta la ja ka wi shi li thai dak le hi Tangkhul Geoscience forum da thai li di jang chi ta hau ga da geoscience ping hi wa ki sa zat kla ja ka wa ka ta na tum ki sa zat mrau itum mi mu chu ka la ga azak la ma da ne post la ma da ne hi ping ki sa zat li la da paning zat le re lungui rut chat chilla pai tu bakery ri phung la ga jang kareli practical sa ho re ji ga sirui gi song phang re ma dei ma ni jang chen chili lungui ya phung khui la ga zat te kareli master sa le ga project sa ga vai limestone in sa ji la chen train li mi wa pek naw kam tha ta hing big naw ga naw tres kam tha ta phung la ga zat la ei tum wa lungui limestone ji ke ji thumra lang ji jang la ga zan da practical wi wang jang ta chi ki ga geology ga tam bing ma ta la ga ni thumi lungui li emphasis sa la ga tam mai jang chena hi thum minerals la pai rock la pai kala precious stone la pai itum ma wa sir dali jang chena hi ga tong tam sir gi ji nei chena na thum li wa a ji hi exhibition la na thum li lai mi re chena table ji li lungui la hai de lei minerals la hai de lei precious stone la hai de lei ka tong a ji yang wa mi lo kala ning jang la ya ka kan dek sa mi lo geology queen sagre chang chi dai ga sam ngau gi jin la maning che na chi yang mi se chi yang khoi nang so da na tum thai re chi wa yang ka kham lungui ji la rit na ji ko mang veng ko chi khang ga thai liao ro phone the refreshment queen ro gi ji ne chena chi wa yang mi lo chena ga tong chi isi oja bing na hi ki gla dang han mi lo jang lens la lait le re kup mai da yang ai ga awi texture or khang dei li yang ai ga wa yang mi lo la ga oja bing ling han queener la ga i thumring phala ga na chi wi thi li refreshment la queener ga vai sa se jang cho ga tong na chi chong mai ngai wao za ra
go. Diamond go. These are all diamonds. Okay. Then special okay. This is brown diamond, green diamond, yellow, gray. Then this is brown yeah. Then a white diamond, a polished diamond, yeah. This is J. Okay. Yeah. Then he buy him you do whatever you want, but don't touch this one, okay? Meet just for okay, about 10 students each, yeah? Okay. Okay, so question like any questions you want to ask me? Toilet any idea? Chile hydrochloric acid HCl, yeah? The hydrochloric acid here is calcium carbonate, calcium carbonate, hydrochloric acid what is the chemical reaction? Key chemical reaction from now? HCl plus CaCO3. Any idea? Science now. Joe, come on. Science nobody? Okay, no problem. Calcium carbonate hydrochloric acid reacts carbon dioxide release like a effervescent chocolate bubble chocolate just take it let's say you issue with limestone limestone here he drop now bubble shock low you can he did a gyro misal of batch convey big man there. Chungnam gyro, just one drop. Got that effervescence shock. Bubbles shock. Shock like that. Carbon dioxide release not that at all. Chidaiga he lungu he limestone night. The Tayojin. Limestone shasara cement not shimly cement single shim sam lumning. Jing lungu hen sembo. He powders have a sembo. Yeah. So this is limestone, yeah? Then the limestone, you can effervescence hydrochloric acid gyro, yeah? Then the hydrochloric acid market limolo time, the toilet cleaner, exact gyro load. Have that, yeah? Okay, yeah? So interesting, yeah? Okay. Then if you come really chromite, like them, then chromite the shashon line of so this is the chromite, yeah? He come. So it's very heavy, yeah? Our specific gravity here, yeah? Then the chromite here, ayur layer, here nodular chromite, the nodules round, the wine form is yeah? This is called nodular chromite. Iba here a prismatic habit, yeah? Here chromite ayur, iba here kang yung yeah? Marili rit my boy, iba here, yeah? Not to young no he came round. What is this? He came round. This is a gate. A gate he is nang nuit like a nayong market miji. To his family nung go. Yeah. Hen kisawai. Aja koi gong sang di hen sem mai. Okay. Polish sak the gaura daura di taiga gong sang phone sak mai ji. This is a semi-precious stone. Yeah. Semi-precious. Okay. And then what is this? He came round. Yeah, he fossil go. Ito may korbong na family gym day. Chika mong je kredi. Aja na ko je awi shell we ajon gym day like. So this is a gastropod fossil. Okay. Yeah. Padan la je ni cast ka di me awi original material ba hiba par dai dai. Ka ara situi bali an hi da namshan khai ji shape ji le awi da hi cast ko go. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Then the diamond thai kai bing je aroi la in hang sei over here diamond go. Yeah. Diamond ayura, yeah, but this is worth lakhs of rupees, okay? Yeah? Then the MP Madhya Pradesh, right? Later on, diamond explorations had like go, yeah? Then Shanghai ka northern to Rabbi, yeah? Okay, then here, diamond big here, some such a little diamond ayur jung vai, a man lamasakapun, he there are some that cost only 3,000, some are 5,000, some are 10,000, some are 20,000, 30,000, yeah? Amanji no tumingly diamond lakh kai the thing there. Okay. Then aman by lakh he polished sa hai bahi around 15,000 or 20,000. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Now let the next batch come over. Not from singing. This is chromite. Yeah. No. Explain no time. Anything interesting? Lungui sir này hi gong hi lungui hi Tangkhul ram ni sam dong lungui sir ko okay nó thùng đinh li ayar wen khi dai đập đinh sal bai ka Tangkhul ram ni sam dong sa này hi ba hi tam này Tangkhul ram lim sam dong hi ya thế là diamond hi Tangkhul ram lim lại right ya thằng đấy thì hi đi lại sir ko okay thế là thằng previous batch ni hang thấy cái thằng đó cement nó dùng là cement shimli mà chai na. This is the source of that cement. Mulungo hilikio limestone. Okay, limestone here calcium carbonate CaCO3 science kadam ding thai ro ya calcium carbonate ya. Then calcium carbonate na hydrochloric acid reacts ki produce ai HCl plus CaCO3 carbon dioxide ya. We have this toilet cleaner, right? Toilet cleaner likhism hydrochloric acid acid no we tiles kajar he turns up the high time China he toilet cleaner ba he okay can you give the pass it to me yeah China he ba he no are you a science student I'm very happy please take this you're going to drop gyro yang low effervescent shock go okay you just observe you start getting bubbles, yeah? You know the lens line, the lensing by yeah? Bubbles take yeah, what is that? That's carbon dioxide, yeah? Not in the Coca-Cola, Asham Choka carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide release, yeah? Okay, are you a science student? No? Okay. Okay, this one. What is this one? Any idea? Any guess? This is a fossil. Yeah? Not from Jurassic Park. Movie. Chile, fossil research paleontologists. Paleontologists are also earth scientists and geologists. Paleontologists are then a fossil he partisan. Yeah? Then he no shells from imprint like cast forms are okay. So this is a brachiopods with shell we cast hope. Yeah. Then Tangkhul with chromite so this is the chromite job. Not from Rakhang yang na. Mari rit mai ga hi rit mai ga yang lo. Yeah. Could you read my rit mai da? Yeah. Our specific gravity chung ko yang mari specific gravity li hibaw na hak mai ko chubangai na read mai din okay sina atang direction nam khang arar jing da yang because sina with specific gravity na chung mai lui okay yang ji akka then he came round no idea again hogo he kre we na yung makhet chin dai kambol la lungli na lungui jar ko ga tek ka sa ka mai shop ji ba shi ko same family. This is called agate. Okay. So here in Kisavai, ito mo aja ko kong sang din dai, kong sang se mai la here. Okay. Yeah. So this is a semi-precious stone. All right. Yeah. Then these are diamonds from Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Are we currently in Asia? Yeah. Active diamond mine here. It's only in India, which is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Apam jili panna hoy. Then he panna hoy. Various grades of diamond, yeah? Brown diamond, green, yellow. Green diamond will be the most expensive here, okay? Green diamond ba hi mean in 50,000 milo, 1 lakh milo dilaba mi because green diamond is very, very rare, yeah? Jauki the other brown diamond very cheap, okay? He color he white vamama it gets more and more expensive, okay? Yeah? Hina jade, okay? Green ba hina jade go. Jade shasar like Burmali sampang then he Burmese son now gift jade by here. Okay. Then he diamond being giver. Amanga Hamro. Do you want to know the price? Any guesses? Yeah. Guess sign la. Guess salo. Just because people think diamonds are very expensive, right? Diamonds are forever, no doubt, but it is always there are cheap ones as well, yeah? Then he brown by here. He Coca-Cola color diamond hogo. Then he buy maybe around 6 or 7,000 or 8,000, less than 10k. Yeah. He green diamond can be any amount. It can go up to even 1 lakh. Yeah. So yellow diamond, this will be around 15,000. Okay. Then he diamond he carat this one will be around 25,000. Yeah. Then 3,000, 4,000 he polished yeah. That is well polished, so this will cost around 15 to 20,000. Okay. All in all, maybe around a lakh. Yeah. Okay. So interesting. So go the next batch, please. Science enthusiasts, little angels. So, key interest card like. Anything interesting? This one is interesting. He Pangrai chromite maje. He chromite la. Yeah. Pangrai chromite he not from sa dung za khali ka da pai la gai mu chu dra khang yang la. Pai la gai mu chu bai da ka khang lo. Come on, try. Read there? Okay, so read it, yeah? Very heavy, yeah? Then science ni density is equal to mass by volume maje. Then mass pa he volume very less volume because specific gravity because there is a lot of mass in that small volume. So chromite pa here is very heavy because of very high specific gravity or high density. Okay, yeah. Then chromite ayurji, this is nodular chromite. Then he prismatic, yeah. Chromite ayurji did not because Adam the Marie had that probably it is chromite. Okay. Then next limestone, yeah. Limestone is abang shanglako. It rumbling he now the shangbai. Limestone here the cement top of the hamda, yeah. Then limestone, along with limestone we have this one, which is marble. Marble Taj Mahal marble limestone. So this is that marble. Okay. Taj Mahal. So science everybody very good. Yeah? Calcium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid. What would be the likely product of that reaction? Come on. Quickly. It's a very easy thing. HCl plus CaCO3. So calcium chloride, one product, and the other product will be carbon dioxide. Okay. Then the carbon dioxide release proof like toilet cleaner here, not shimly toilet somehow I got Kanam Day. Gulung with him in America. Yeah, you know, he bring like a currently something like diamond might have the queen up. First, execute some within it. I'm now so guided that's not diamond 100%. Yeah, then other than the job. Come on and put a drop of this, drop out of something. Like observation, you hang low. Yes. Observation hang low, I'm now Coca-Cola, so that is carbon dioxide. Okay. It is calcium carbonate or limestone. Okay. Crystal formine, it's called calcite. CALCIT. Okay. Fine. Is it interesting? So toilet cleaner is very, very useful. Fine. Yeah. Mom, I know. Yeah. In next. Yeah, this one. So he came around. What might this be? He came around. Sit down. Come on, take a look. It's a stone, no doubt. Everything is a stone. Nayong Market, very good. Gigi Adam. Nayong Market, we family go here. Nayong Market, she amay na here. Yeah. Then the kids amay. Then kids amay. Gongsang amay po. Okay. Gongsang family here. Si may sabo. Yeah. Here from the Polish town, we can this we hold it now. Yeah. Gongsang si may po. So this is called a gate. Yeah. Nayong Market family circle. Then anything else that is interesting? He came around. This is a very soft rock, one of the softest rock that you will get on planet Earth. Okay. No, bangning gorn of Magar Maiga, Hina Mermai. Which you can talk to them. Okay. So, Sasa Kisolo, Fakta Isha, Tamil Mulungui, a bed, my cup, Gijing Lungu, Jihigo. What is this called? It's called? What is this? Duck. Yeah. Duck C, Jago vitamin C. Duck Co. Jena Hena, duck powder, I know my little, because it's in my little. So this is okay. Jena, very soft rock. Yeah. And this is diamond. Okay. You're getting to see raw diamond. These are all raw diamonds. This is polished. Okay, raw diamond ding hiji. Machung they like no thung TV link thai ba ki charba di mang thai da. So you have brown, green, yellow, gray, then light brown, and then white, and then color variant with and what is this one? This is jade. Okay, jade family go. This one is cheaper. This ones are much more expensive. Yeah? All in all, this will be around 1 lakh to 1.5. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. Anything else? Yeah, this one. This is a fossil. Okay. Aja idum we korbunga family hina kamazat jibashi we akor hina sashan kai cast. Okay. So this is a fossil. This is all the way from Tamil Nadu. Okay. Tangkhul Indim ko. Kangdai dong hi Tangkhul we sir ne ka hi Tamil Nadu ne hibahi la Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Fine. Then India le are active diamond mine here. Madhya Pradesh, a little bit of GK, yeah. Active diamond mine. Are we talk that Italy like whole of Asia le Madhya Pradesh mang le go India le. Okay. Remember this, yeah. And G items G. Okay. Fine. Sure. Good. Thank you. Welcome again. Good. Interesting. Okay, sure. Come on, let's make it quick. Interesting. Anything? Oh yeah. That one is very interesting. In that guy, he came round. Ting he gulung bui wana oi dam sha. Yeah. Ting gulung bui wana ga he shop dinner. This is called petrified wood. Okay. Yeah. Then a dinner don science ka tang ring geography ka tang thana ke na ke ba. Yeah. Hey, is that interesting? Namaste. How are you?
I'm doing fine. How are you? You're in Tamil.
He petrified wood will go. Mulung bui he, zingum ting, other minerals here, silica. Form the compound up here, mineral G form something. Okay, fine. All right. Then a G petrified wood, right? Then anything else that is interesting? Okay, try lifting this one. What is this? Sure. Pang mai kap pajina thangalo. It's heavy, right? Yeah. So what is this? Kim Rao, this is chromite. Okay.
Thằng ina kang jeli shoi gai lady student being the tung ili khim yau sei kala ocha being kala resource person being khang dei being jinava azing mak li ta khim yau sei the arrangements hadli the hang dali
Is this heavy or?
chena itum kashu kale laga refreshment quick vai sau re na tum yang quick ngai dei sa la chi thang mai dei quick vai request sat le na tum
Young tree trekking is that damli mulung bui bit la kain some of the probably it is chromite. Okay. Yeah. Then chiaka, then limestone. Limestone the misha lagai da. Limestone chair down. Limestone nine kishok. Cement. Yeah, shim sem high cement kishok. He powder san laga to manufacturers have to go. Then he limestone the proof sa by what do you have to prove that this is limestone? Yeah. Chi ki ka da. This limestone we chemical composition matai. Any idea? Calcium carbonate, CaCO3, yeah? CaCO3 plus HCl, which is a toilet cleaner, yeah? It releases what? Carbon dioxide, okay? Then the carbon dioxide release is high, he chiro in my young low, bubbles show water here, carbon dioxide. Trying to miss right. Yeah. Good bubbles shop like. Yeah, everybody take a look. Shop like that. Yes, what is that? That is carbon dioxide. Okay. Carbon dioxide here, calcium carbonate that release ra đang go. Okay. Yeah. Chỉ thấy cái chân sa đang lung quỷ hi in ở. Thì li zoom là hai trăm đô rồi. Mà lung quỷ pura dissolve sau đây này. Because chemical reactions have calcium, the data shock over carbonate, the data shock over carbon dioxide, pura dissolve sau đây. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Then the next, what is the softest rock? Cho phẳng lên cái chỉ cao hiểm sao? Lung quỷ này chỉ cao sắp chỉ hiểm ăn không? Yeah. What is this called? Tao, yeah? He chỉ cao hiểm ăn chúng sao rất vui. Just take a look. No, not interested. Here là tea shop, talcum powder, yeah? Miley like Johnson's baby powder li athum ta sang away bad for respiratory tract of sawan tham ne adwa la ji lung bi ba ji hi ko, yeah? This is called tao, yeah? Okay, what is this? This is a fossil go, yeah? They got a go with them having the they got it studies how you know. Oh, we shall dig it up and down some more rich and furrows like the more the yak shock. Dinosaur yak shock or key of shock the wrong here. Fossil lines was certain in the neck. They got a giant with them. Corbula family dig out with he got that. Okay, then you go. Then the last second, look at this. Take a look. This is he came round up. Only something I didn't look short. Now market, yeah. Now market family go. Kahina, yeah. Then I mean hina again. He sang like listen. Kong sang se mai la. Okay, kong sang ya. She down who nothing. Oh, Krio kong sang aman sak na ikim la. She baji. He can't hand se mai. Go miss singing la. You can take a look. Yeah. Yeah. This is a semi-precious stone. Yeah. Semi-precious stone gold. Then the last other atamale together. What are these? Any guesses? Diamonds, right? Diamonds are what? What is the tagline? Diamonds are forever. Yeah. Because hardness is 10 hai lamne. Hardness 10 hai ka hardness is 10 ne. In the long thang ka fit ka makai jila. Does it mean that it's not gonna break? No, no. Scratch sa by lamne. Yeah. Diamond here you are really stretch like a hardness not you are really hardness with how much mermaid you go. So diamond ka hardness is 10. Yeah. Our hardness 10 how with the lasting how can I at scratch some the okay. Then the diamond color is not the white paint on market with TV. Yeah. Because we have yellow, brown, green, gray, different shades. Yeah. Okay. Then the white mark link down here fancy color diamonds all over. White value white diamond. Most expensive one is white. Yeah. Special cases green, pink, and blue. Very, very expensive. Yeah. Okay. This is from India, Madhya Pradesh, right now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's all for today. Yeah. You're welcome.
Cho issue chỉ xong là gục sang cái đấy chế là mít lấy cái item maya hay rồi cái chuyện item session này cái phải sau sẽ chẳng chế là ở student bình lý là request sát lấy item ít cho visit li chính rồi là bấm méo gì cái là khởi trang mà sao lừa sẽ chẳng item mới session này rất phải sau gì chế là cái chỉ cho visit li mà thà là cái là bấm quy mì cái là lười shit request sát lười shit lấy chế là item break with li ở item session hi khui kalu yause second session hi item discussion hi other item career in engineering and medical fields hi madang li item li Miss Madam Misha Hungyo adang na dum li sir ngazip mi hangai ri jang awi Mrs ni chang China sir ngazip mi wi Mrs ni jang na dum mag thei la jang sa la bai chui wang a si bang ka pya miao se breaker ni na lung tum la kai na sa mi da klei ne na thum le mi shai mi mangai je ma shai pha ma mang ba do Yes, chila aniwi family na getong arrange sa kami ni je ani khni we yang kala kwing dok sang la ga getong itom le mi chai me mangai ni ring pai chu wang akshi da ke mi lo se jo ani breaker ni lila mi sha nei wa ma ka rang la kha re me kap ta ning gi shi gi chung ga mi li shi ta le itom le lum ka vai tho ka vai hila ani khni ne da da chang na la kai na ngaran khami wang che na ai shi mi sha hung yo hi hi ar ka jang khat wa hi mai leng we ne ka ar tiam ga somon gai ni jang che na hi tiam ga som we ne shi uzang is mi wang tiam ga som sa ho ga da av ptek kala mtek hi computer science and engineering we na sa ga khui ni kala arui hi itum R&D de la thing ro ge short form ne jang research and development he with developer ni ari Nokia networks Nokia networks we he Bangalore base ni ka atum ka ari honwa works from home ga thai hila ga tonga maya sar how the internet le ya ka wa thum sapai sri chi itum ring pa ni ana ga tonga itum li phai mira sa re ji ga thong tang li la chena achu ana itum liver kiwi matang ni tam mirak la ja ka wa itum na thum program liver mami thuro re Cipaci kika itum excuse sport le chena ana itum liver apong ga chung ga na AI ga thawi maram ni la thum itum le matam tamira sare ari honi thot liver hitar gar sala gai nei chena itum sakla gai na ning sang la gai na ngana khui se kala itum iwang kana khui vai sa se gi he hang khangai nei chena Madam Mishali Yari Saiko Runakshi welcome sa khui se please welcome Madam Misha
From Thana made a nervous cuss. Okay, Hilly science cat zang age that hangja science the junk mine ya. Hinjai medical courses cats and gaile. Okay, quite a number. Engineering wa? Hi, MBBS engineering clinic zang thai coin na. Okay, Mashaka hang no yo. Okay, engineering and medical sciences the most sought after and some people might say the most overhyped profession, but nonetheless, society li itumi khanga kharing khara khili job prospective yang la pai development nan yang la pai itumi hi no thai ka pai profession maning lak nai achi in da thada hi ka shi kha thada hang mi kai ka kai na engineering sangai ra ka kai na MBBS or other paramedical courses like nursing or pharmacy shong chat khangai la le sa da pai ka kai na diploma khoi ngai le sa la pai yang khaji confuse sa kai la jang sa re ning a thang ka thada MBBS la thangai engineering la thangai ning itum le ila chi thaba pam sai khari le ka thada ka thada chu sa ra khai ka ji itum thada yang maman sayang itum first of all interest or passion interest ka tha khai a thang issue resource person ka chum chan la hang me re yang itum interest or passion just like when I was young I had more interest. I was more amused by how a computer works than how a human body works. I was more amazed by how a clock works than how a flower blooms. Yang jen thada itumi interest itumi passion hila identify ka sahi darkar salake he ina mi idea factors ping he feel ka tong choose ka sali la shichin pai but mo are we chama itumi hili engineering versus medical courses ani yang ause medical jik MBBS mam ning re ka tong sang re paramedical courses ka tai ping ya jaina ka khani li personality athang resource person ka chung na ngai re itumi personality li na ina jam hada compassionate masa ina mili mang han thai ka thata inner saura ya nurse ka sabing hi athumi li chi tha personality hi darkar sa na ka jinai yang phapta yang jaina identify your personality as well and the third inspiration athang issue we try na khara Sir John anala hangar ko role model khlahi ithum lai phungra we anathang ki hang note down your role models read about their biographies, read about their life. It keeps your dreams alive, chite. Yang, chichapa itu mi inspiration, role model kali hidar ka salah ke, mending. Kata pingai lah, itu. Ya, kita thona jaga ini ka. Okay. The inspiration role model, it can be some famous personalities, or it can be from your own family, your relatives. Mending. Ari in the lake, Joga interactive samai by Nutumle, Nutum like a pamrakai, interactive samai by in a Joga quiz session now lay okay. Hikipa Kipata. No, it said Laya, Elon Musk, Ka Hikipata. Anybody? Ninga Hamilo. Okay. I have some surprise for you. Kiba na hanga Elon Musk kiba kai teacher. Kiba mong tingai tu are here. Jo suyo kai. Jo anybody? Smart kan samai say ising rabing. Atang surgeon na kang thada. Keep your minds open, keep your eyes open, keep your ears open, and keep your mouth open. Jo Elon Musk, kiba mang thele sa kita limning. Các chàng lo cái thật cho, mi cái ninh cái cho cái ninh cái lo, cho, thắc lo. Goodies. Ai là hàng ngày tôi phải để cho nó khác nhiều. Cái ali kisa đâm thêm ra cái đó cái bút lấy sao rồi cái bài nào đó đâm nè cái bài mang hàng cả đấy chứ nè okay so cái bài đó here the shot in the right answer the shot like cho oh yes Florence Nightingale the founder of modern nursing. Interactive samai khai sa khoyo thumle yang in the last house. Oh yes please stand up. Je are hiping here famous personalities itum migjung hali atun na inspire sami laga ya engineers, doctors, nurses. Migjung atun mi miri nine itum inspire sa laga ra kai ping hina ya. Okay, jan adhang wi jili slide pa jili valu sa. Inspiration ke ji dakar sa ke ji hanga ya itum dreams itum ni motivate sa kha itum dreams wi thawru na itum ya fuel ya. The next one skills. Natumi skills itumi skills se identify ka sahila darkar salak chitla inang nui laga arila jira idwa shimli la ishipa namasala ina light fix ka sa fan ka sa dong ina sai ya the fire life na ka hata ina la sa thai mai fa pamao ningchang pa mam hau ga da ya jen skills identify ka sahila darkar salak intumli ya. Yatira salo ji thai nore. Okay, the nextly goal. Itum goal kale goal set ka sahile important sala ka midni na doctor sala ka kisaura na nurse sa ka kisaura engineer sa ka kisaura goal a kale itum hi now the hi thala ka hita da sangai society da sangai ka ji itum goal set ka sadra ka sala kya kala ji job prospects and outlook ka ji itum ka chung chahe aritama MBBS halapai doctor nurses halapai or any other subject school halapai PhD halapai halapai at the end we all come back to one thing, that is job. ya job ke chi thumi darkar sai tam khwe laga shikhwe laga job sa ka itum hi mering pham ne ya jene itum hi chila khyang hin darkar sai job prospects in the course hi ka ki job prospects ka thada lele ar hon market di ka thada lele ki kya darkar sa le demand kya lele in kya an sapai i skill se sing ka kya sapai ki he ji ka tong hi study ka sa hi darkar sai kala last in educational cost hi itum hi import hi laga tha khai chi ka itum society hi mai ar hon na sak pai chung ner ka itum ya tam ni ka cham no lo chung thlai ba pam che da tam ngai lam sak ra ya for example I pilot sangai sa chi ding ni da ka pilot ji aman chung na jang ji je na tangao da tangai la de ji itum chi la khyang hi da yang ya khyang hi la da ka sai kya ka tamra kya chang ra ka chi ya chen a thang resource person kain la hang me re kya chang it aram next week ban la da chuni chung tha mai da hang mi ba pam ra ya okay so engineering wile chung cha engineering with thai lai eligibility physics chemistry maths duration 4 years exam se chung cha he ar hona IIT JEE ne NIT china NIT kala other colleges nan IIT wangai kha IIT JEE advanced ke je thara ne kala kadai wi notice linearis talang vai chila engineering college phala kaya khane base la SRM la VIT dakchung khlai athumi own entrance examination lang va pa mai na thumna chiping chila try sayang pai ser kala chutli chi kupsang ga BTech or Bachelor of Technology or Bachelor of Engineering ki samang re ya chen ara branch sipping hi malwi kai chika hi ba kha ara wa hi ara ma browser nu thumni yami sara yo chili summary hi chang mi set lai chin thumna chili refer kha sa me na lo branches ku chung lai branches ka tha da chu sara adwa da ji confusion lai or na thumna chung mai thengai kha wa I thumni la contact sara mi pai re chen ara most interesting part engineering ping we Tlop engineering sagai ping we atmi job ya kachung chana corporately etc ya private private company le sai dam shamlan thum da chi ko yo ka chili ka kai na PSU na public sector undertakings PSU ka phau chung le PSU la level ngaware ya Maharatna or chili tikhatyok mai ping da thum la level ngawaye ka hak mai ping hin la tlop chung mai pamra ka chang he like IOCL, HP, Gale, PSU sere. Jena ji entry level we na hang na khai to lopil hang se da he LPA ka lakhs per annum. Singu ma le kya sa mangai ke chi na tha da Hyderabad hang se da khane average na kala hi entry level we ne corporate ka da college ko na degree le re che khan apply sa pai. Institute ku chung chali wa recruitment hi ra re placement ya company phina ra la ka interview ra khui la na thumi hire sa re the chika chunga ja averagely but at 6 lakhs per annum is some right the katio bing it at 3 lakhs in that company katio maybe we pro TCS etc ka hakmai like Facebook Google chitha chi wa changa entry level la chung chung kai for example the IIT na jakum mya ha 2 crores per annum chungma hli 2 crores ya he chili recruit sa kai na le kala NIT na la 1.25 crores ya the chi hada chung hle na thumna chi college fa man kha hada no we goal athi shuda cha thu shuda chi samaman do PSU wili athangang thada 8 LPA to 20 hi le sare he entry level ko na thumna ko pai laga degree ko pai laga PSU khre laga recruitment tha sai ara ku chungta hi gate exam BTech ko pai laga B ko pai laga na PSU wa changai chai khapa gate exam hi thara gate exam thai laga chiwa thi shuda thumna li interview hora laga chi thada recruit sai kala government wili la chi Indian engineering services the UPSC na kanda ka sa chi la laipa pamai athumla chi arwe UPSC we level chap chaya athumi grade pe hi chap chara chen ka tai famous government chika ka tai binga bar ka tha ISRO ka tha DRDO ka tha hi phawla ka athum chi tha ji tan thum join sa pai kala government state government will kachung athumi openings kachung hlai cho hin ara haira pai na India we startup company have a unicorn we call unicorn athang ishi resource person server warin hang khai thata ya $1 billion le athumi profit turn over hand guy ping je chiping chile unicorn startups kana athum ping we yang lo he share chat 47 lakhs he on average ko athum na sam hang da khai tu lop he ya hila ina hila li browser le sang mi site le avum tang naw li sai ka thada haira ban thum ni idea hi thai khwai hang mix han ne Jena ayar shokre ayar we opportunities pui ta dai da le re engineering we ya it me software shong la pai or makning core branches ping mechanical electrical ya athum ping lag chung khalai pa mai ayar le he ayar le hang se da he software engineer a we athum to lop kuma khwe ya $180,000 in a year Jena developer aha thata we career path ka thada sara chuma dan na wa changkha company wa changkha as a software developer wa changkha ka thada sapai case study kho yo hi jena my company ki chung chali he follow sarai ka kai nang tai sala pai kha ka chung chali wa thata software developer 1 2 3 and then architect la sapai or nana individual contributors hara iwa thata imang thata technical shong chat rai chikha chi shong na chat pai or man nana people management shong chat ke chila switch sapai option si thata ku chung khalai chile ya chada kama naga nana arama chili director kara vp kara and then you can become the CEO as well okay katha engineering we Aram engineering week entrance exam cut off pajing te discuss hanawre ari hi medical we he first he lag khani ni ta side to side house yang medical likatha medical courses ke MEBS katha BHMS BUMS yang aj thang se ji browser le jang sar khoyo he ping hi jung ja hin 5.5 years sangra India we le yang laga katong thesar le NEET exam hi thasera katong na paramedical courses ping nursing pharmacy technician therapist etc hipping here ka kaina 2 years kaina 3 years sangra kala institute entrance exam athum ngawai ka kaina veterinary zat khaila jang sare yang medical courses still 5.5 ni dain etc khrega exam te sar ni dain sasar gain hipping hila ya medical wila tulop yang no private versus government Kaji thaisa kaina ga yan doctor pingwi jong hada hanglo jila thum private hospital li chika ayarli private hospital li na entry level we 50k per month hada on an average mi gijin nurse ping technician ping athum hi mai ketyo khatya privately khatyo na yang that is still in debate chika athumi role log chung khlai athumi job prospects log chung khlai kha athumi underpaid sagai ne chenjui bangatai ka government when it comes to government jobs for even for nurses tulop thanai athumi ya around 60k per month samhangra kala average for MBBS doctor 10k 10 LPA per 10 LPA even for MBBS or other medical athangwi kito BUMS katha jipingja no MBBS mang claim nim kho chung khalai kho chenda athina BUMS katha hang se re ya BMS, BHMS, BAMS, Ayurvedic, Unani, Homeo, the Gillets at Paisere, Gilla course, Lesser Ducklane, Kajung Jana, MBBS, Lids at dry openings, the Gilla, my papa, my apology, Jip, how my papa, Mia, Kanatumna, Nitsang Laga, Katamasam, MBBS, some like a tailors at Paisere, Chikatabin, Japai, Lack and some hungry. Ara medical courses, medical sciences we athumi projected growth athumi career yang nanda yang no arache he orange line is sangna heba he china on an average for other jobs athumi career growth 3% layer cover katai ping jinglo 34 la kad life 30% la kad that's huge yang nathumi career growth futurely kada kai chi medical we career hi thata thana le da hainai mathila ka chi engineering medical mirini mathila ka chi profession nai nang thum jobless msalak mai chi jiwa ta chan our exams and cut off sleep asara ya medical thesara ni thara kate MBBS kala other courses vivang and then paramedical va other institute entrances ngawai ara cut off in cut off nutum thagi jipana cut off not the qualifying cut offs chai ka paina am dei mi chung cha pa sa sem rai ai need pass hai re ka college ma sam hang thaura admission cut off is the main thing yeah admission cut off first Second, which college? College pakui important sala kaya. Jena cut off na thumna MBBS prepare ka satam tran larik mai larik work chung pare khachimam ning la work smart as well. Jika strategy ngawai exam thai preparation hiang larik ai na pala galap mi he lain bang mai pan the score sa mai gai lang wa den thumna thai thai re ya. Kaji arhona like in the hunting jin shopping arhona na shopping hi na thumi thems gai dai ituma ta man yang ga compare sai na ga na thumai ni itumi nga tai hangai jitla smart and thum sa mai car ka thena na thum thai mai car yang so songai na jitla and at the same time competition is also more stiff jen na thum ji ba je khayang re yang jina strategy thai yang lo previous year question papers yang lo preparation ji ka chi tha question hang thai chi yang lo no we mentorly thara kai na ngasek lo athumli guidance khuilo yang very very important jen cut off itum we are very blessed in one way because every one of us are under ST category yang ST category na maka pha jiga itum nge chang xiao de itum ST quota lei jin da dang chang xia lei jin la mai the mayang ba malei tu da hot na ma ya athum na yang athum ban na competition ma mai da athum na hot na mai athum na ri mai khala wai thum ne hi tha fil thli yang but itum ST category lei jil la itum chipa jil aim sa se general category na pasa khai ka chik dong hi chili aim sang sangai ST category some hangola chila songai na ye jaka need it's a very competitive exam yeah khiwang hai jikha India li college hi MBBS seat hi tiona le haidla mi wak chung halai da haidla ka seat kya lai 1,06,000 something le da haidai seat chimang haidla population wa kya ha yo mi kya ha 12 kup sang dai 1 year le GB issue nai MBBS sakkai jimni nai kha issue ji seat ma khlai issue hoyo jen na thum ji ba jing seat khang pai saw ga da exam hi seat khang pai saw ga da strategy hi important sala ke chili athang wi chili 1 lakh khlai le around 65% I think 60 let's say 60% government sidra kataina private sidra private va sakna lo yang amani thum laka akhana CMC velo ji thumi mi gu chung ja hi ba him thaila mi sau sakai chung in hi ba hi le emphasize ka sangai khwang hai chika cut off ka tiu na mang chi khanga ja need to cut off ST ping yang no college khamda tha bing la 500 lang set thumi score he ne 500 na thumi le yang na lo internet kla thumi cut off yang lo college khamda tha ping google sa lo athumi cut off pha yang lo kya mai khai chi cha chu chu na thumla target saman lo ka CMC ba ka te na mang chila ka CMC ba akhala ka ta khai Christian now ping bang ration now ping bang ithumi bang jing te ngai na kota ngwai kota khangwa chi alung chi le ithumi ka ta khai chi ka CBC nai ma sha CBC nai da CBC nai atungli achingni register sa sa CBC nai MBC and then the other churches so baptism certificate le ra yang na church member nei that lay cover CBSNI when the forma quira that you will be sponsored by CBSNI in your medical course. Jithaika MBBS mamning a nursing la she sponsor sami baba mai are we honai na shoi le ashi website le valo CMC ba shi not CMC CBSNI we ashi website le valo ga download sa la form ji fill up sa online and sa pai la pai ar hona jithala ga ji sponsorship sa mangai re jai cover na we need 300 mang na some na score sa la you will be called for interview ashi interview le fi two-step process ra interview ba ji kha sak mai re but na samangai re jai ka CBC nai ba shin na li training la mi re na jin ji ba ji la khayang sangai mi saut sang sangai ni thuma opportunity kha khale da khain let's grab it nimla that engineering we IIT JE for NITs triple ITs other colleges IIT JE advanced for IITs je the cut off la ngatai se cut off fee IIT ka tha NIT tha cut off fee computer science ka tha ping hin na cut off chung hai sa mai sal pai khachi va college kham tha chu le lui re ya chen ji ba chin na thum na yang ga cha chu sa lo kha I'm telling you na engineering sangai jai kha engineering va masak mai khiwang hai chi kha I thum mi sit la le pam plus mi chung da cha ga chan thaim na ya che da hiliva masak plus sit comparatively MBBS ka thali ang kha sit hi chung mai khare there are around I think 15 lakhs BTech graduates every year in India okay yearly chi ya sada ta ka sit chung le da haitla จ้าดันนั่นสกอร์เที่ยวละฮิบะฮิบันสมังไปชานสักไม่คาร์เลยได้เลยอันทั้งนี้ข้างท่า choosing the right course and the right institution is very important in ก็ท่าคิดว่าไงจะก็ course อันทั้ง engineering เจ้า engineering ลิก branch ก็จะไปคุยระยัง MBS อยู่ว่า MBS ทำไมก็จะที่ละคุยสันเอาเรื่องคือ engineering อยู่ว่าฝากสังเกตก็จะไปคุยระใครก็จะไปที่ละ important สลักจิตละอันทั้งนวี goal นวี job prospects อาจจะสุดในก็สามีนั่นน่ะ Manipur settle ลงสังไงละfor example okay นั่น Manipur settle ลงสังไง government ลงสังไงใจเขาว่า don't take computer science computer science อยู่ว่าจ้าคำ subject ที่มันอะไรไม่อาจจะ job ไปเฮีย core พิงวิวทำให้ข้าเลยจิตละ but if you are ข้างนอก adventurous นั่นก็ที่เรียกว่าไง abroad ชอบไงแล้วก็ถ้าไปจัดไงใจเขาว่า computer science ให้ important สักถ้าจิตให้การน่ารักให้เนี่ยเจนถ้าจิตให้จิตเลยอย่างโน้นนั่นทุนน่ะวิคี course คุยง่ายก็จิตลำท่ากันชุดซาโลก็เลย institution is very important one คิดว่าให้จิตเขาอีทุนน่ะ competitive exam ท่าแล้วก็ IIT ใจ IIT จิลิก็ top rankers ก็ต้องมาวักตาเต็มนี่ top rankers วักต้องมาตาก็จะมีก็ต้องนับเป็นเทมเสร็จแล้ว more than you learn from your teachers you will learn from your friend circle อีหล่ะจิตถามผมไหมก็อาจารย์เป็นต้องคุยล่างไหมแต่สนอปิงมีปิงจี friend circle มาท่านน่ะก็เทมอ่างไงต้องคุยไปชุ่งเลยเจนน่ะ institution คำท่าเลยค่ะว่าเฮขนาดลักยังก็ขณีเลยอีทุนอินเดียเฮ close knit society ละเศร้า status ละแค่ยังเอาโม่ the premier institute ในใจก็มีอะไรอย่างกันไปใน job กับพาร์ทตรงนี้ we have thatคิดข้างตัว prejudice อะไรจิตที่สุดนี่ไอ้ premier institute ในใจก็แบบมาท่าไม่ท่าตำท่าไม่ดันนั่นเลยอย่างจิตละชื่อ advantage ยังเช่น institution ที่ลำท่านกับพงศ์นู้นทุนตะ crack สักไอ้ที่เลยชื่อท่านอย่างโลเช่นอะไร let's come to the main one scholarships อันทั้งวีก็จุงใจให้นักทักเลยจะคือ medical courses หรือไป engineering courses หรือไปมันสักไหนแต่มาทำ career family หลักจุงเลยปั๊บไหมคืออีทุ่มวี society อีทุ่มตั้งหุ่นหลังนี่เว้ยมันชี้ใครที่คำเลยเนี่ย scholarship ปุ้ยไต่ได้เลยโหยัง main ถ้าแต่ important ทำให้กับ the minority affairs ไปนะ minority จะคืออีทุ่ม variation น่าเป็น Muslim น่าเป็น Sikh Jain ยังเฮ้ยจังเสียกันเนี่ยอินเดียsorry มณีปุรมังจิลิละ300แค่ละ scholarship มี yearly มีจ้าเลย only for technical courses like engineering and MBBS or other medical professional course technical course ยังนั่นถึงนะ scholarship จีนั่นวิstarting from your tuition fee admission fee stipend แล้วก็ต้องหิว cover ใช้ไม่ใช่เราก็จีน่ะเจนนั่นถึงนะ educational cost ลิกเดียวข้างงังได้เลยละมังงังมีลักโลscholarship ปุ้ยติ้งไงได้เลย free อันต่ำคุยไปอีทุ่มละถ้ากรมลักอันต่ำคุยกันเนี่ยยัง scholarship เฮีย minority affairs วิ tribal วิละเลยแต่ก็ชุ่งเลยยังนั่นทุ่มอย่างเราอิน link ที่ฮิลิละมีอะไรเลยนั่นทุ่มอาริมากิพิตาละคิดคำถามเนี่ยอิน browser ลิกต้องมีอะไรเขาอาริมา last นั่นที่ไทยน่าเลยจะ browser วิชิจังเสร็จเลยนั่นทุ่มชิอย่างน่าเลยเช่นอะไร what's next after graduation engineering วิชิลินนั่นคิดสับไปนั่นน่ะ master ว่าไง MTech ซาว่าไงสับไปนั่นน่ะ MBA ซาว่าไงจิละสับไปยัง MBA อารมณ์ว่าจิตจักรนัดเลยเขา corporate จังไงใจก็ MBA he very important นั่น corporate จังก็ if you want to climb up the corporate ladder นั่นน่ะ now the CEO ว่าสักนั่น aim จิเลยก็ MBA is very important ยังนั่นน่ะ abroad shock ไง IR ลิ shock ทำไง MS จิละก็ exam ท่าละก็ละ shock มีจุงละดัดจันว่าไงยังก็เลยนั่นน่ะอดสาวก็เลยสับไป entrepreneurship คุยกันก็เลยคุยกันไปอาทั้งวี Elon Musk ลงที่ละเคียเอา startup เอาไปได้ but he was an engineer มันนี่Sundar Pichai Google CEO engineer เนี่ยละแต่จริงๆทุนน่ะแต่ course I would like to say engineering ที่แต่ one of the most versatile course เนี่ยทางไปนั่นแต่ any field นั่นน่ะจัดการเลยจัดไป after graduation ก็จุงกระจา startup India ก็จุงจ้าอย่างเนาะคิดว่าFlipkart ก็ท่าOla ก็ท่าก็จุงใจ engineering graduates เป็นนักศึกษาเขา medical ที่ MD MS MBA ละไป job ละสับไป even competitive exams อันทั้งวี general competitive exams like UPSC SSC ก็แต่บิงจินั่นน่ะว่าเคยจิละละฮีกุบสังไงละท่าไปเสร็จ Now, how can you contribute to the society? Hila kanala khai ne jika mi jung jahe ina chi sa ga khiung sara ya it mi job sa la ga society li khang chon ma le contribution ma le paisa tulop sa ta ring ga pham le jitla we need athang is resource person that we need status as well as money. Money alone will not suffice, status alone will not suffice. We need both. Yeah. Jena kada da contribute sa pa engineering for kuchung nai lai it me economic growth kuchung jahe engineering ping na yeah economic growth lila job creation, innovation, development kuchung jai lai da haina. Kala medical chila kha khi hangora chili novel sa mai da khi lai lai ne nana society le sa sangai ka za na pini ka cham na pini nguchon ngai nana humanity serve sangai like you are in the right direction. Economic growth, of course, I think that the job matang na ya. Sayo slide she. Go guje ara pingai khwai jo sayo sin ki ba ka. Here cái bio cái tầm nào pin. Ha. Bio cái tầm nào pin. Thấy đâu vậy? If you are interested in medical sciences, hả? Vậy khi nào suy cái gì tao làm cái bác là một hàng ngay là cả. Cho khi ba, khi tham này ngồi lên là ta give a shot, it's okay. Try sapai. Sadly, I'm sure to try, but yeah, give it up for your courage. Some other? Cụp sang áo say she cụp sang last nào lên sa là cái á. Okay, tamish man khawai na thum Edward Jenner dam shaira. Father of immunology. Yeah. Paula kaya hiya ko. Kipa thay. Oh yes, kipa kai je. Cái gì? Share a quiz competition sa ai pha mai ra. Okay, ta china kup sang ok issue group akle Tangkhul Geoscience consult in engineering kala medical sciences le profession hitha hile course hi quick ngai ping la ya ka ituni contact sa pai is Facebook page langa vai ya or natun ili la direct contact sa mi pai re ya natun any never software shong chate software developer ne chena if you have any doubts regarding programming or anything related to this course, you can always contact me. Yeah, natum thadaji yamilo. Kupsanga thaka. Jo natum prepare sada kai psychology all the best. Need lapai IITJ lapai ya. You will ace it. All the best.
Ning Xii Ri, Madam Mishali, cái đó itom ring phala cái mong nào quê rồi ngày nào quê rồi chăng, hili in mong người cái engineering tầm khang cái là medical tầm khang chung ở rằng lấy rồi, engineer bình là career xem mi chỉ tông là cái extend đây là medical cái tầm mình là yang million rồi, van home rồi, cái sao khi cái lấy gì này, chế là chế cái tông cái sao cái vai sao sơ lô, chỉ vì trade li là chăng cái vai là phần nào sơ lô cái gì hàng ngày này chăng. In example aga hangoge example meaning hada khachana ga issue institute lila exam center every exam is center da jil jang exam center down the chiwi exam ba ji supervisor sa da lai sa ji ne wo kiga UBSC exam ajukum chena ka da khla ja ka wa ajukum hi wa atam nam pha tu da Kari service lam tha dam zat mane ukru we na ga ta ni mi ba hi naw lang in thei jin hui gai ne wo adam lo hui gai chen ara gate la sungai da security na ba police bing na ma jang sak mari ji gai chen show me la how lo je na kipa le da khamong wa show je as kari choi da hui kai ne pai kai ne grani je wo ta ga zang lo da zang sa kai ke ji wei na da mai di de ne han ji ne wo u khru wei na ja sa ji ani ka da ki wa ni ha hui da ra ji le je as kari choi kai ne je la ga ka re ji wa ka dam ro pen ma sing sa ji la exam thao re da la ga jang la ga pen ma sing sa tu we je da yu pen khui le mi la ga jo ka thao lo all the best jo ka kai result ma chok rang e ôi chăng chỉ ta đó mà thà bài này chăng chế nữa nít thà ra đó lùi gì nữa chỉ ba gì nữa là nít về exam giờ thấy chăng phải học là bằng cái sang là không cái đây cover cái sao mà sang bài này chăng nó thầm thà chế nữa thấy ra sao ra chỉ hàng mình cái chỉ thâu cái nào là thầm gì chăng chế nữa chỉ ta đó là cái thằng là giờ cái vợ phải học yak lang in sang ra bình gì kêu bài này rai chok srai là phải một cái niệm cái thà điều là mà sao bài là chế nữa exam thà ra giờ cái vợ chịu formality ji itum follow up long li ni je na thum la chi thei plung exam hi tha bai da ngana kwi srai la ga tha ga wai we khangran ba ji wa mung ta kha wa chi la mung wa ki ga ma sa pai mani jang je na ji la sa plung ra passport ma sing ram da ngalang sa da mi ba je exam tha le la ga camera in photo crack kap khi la ga itum ba na print da sa mi la kan nap mi ji jang ji ga tha la wa sir ji ni chi wi category li na thum ma jang pai mani jang je na ma tha lai no na sir lo hang mi kai resource person being tam mi gai ke dong ji mathala kai na ke zip sung gui lo ngazam sung gui lo la ga na thum successful person ga sa ga vai hot khnali lungdum la kai na hot na mi sar log ji hi hang khangai ne ring phala kai re madam mi shawi wang ak simang bang pang lai ne ga family shi se ara na thum li itum na kiwang na chot ngsak ki da ma chot ngsak mre lom law ngsak re lum ngsak re ma sing ngsak pai ma ne jena understanding dong phap ga da lo kirami sare jena ning ma tiao lo ara itum hi tiao ko lum sang ngsak liao se wo ngazin ram man hau ga da chang jena lamang na ngai lue re do ngana ngai lue re chang cho jena lang na liao se cái điều cái free sa da ngai na da mo bom lo sha ma la nganu ka ka khet ngrok la ga chang ki ka konzar kui bai shi ne jena itum lang na khwai sa liao se jena ishi miss win so le ak shi welcome sa liao se jo yari sai corner a big round ari wi ja road steward long jena carpenter band hilira ta khai ga da ning la ma tha le ma thai yang la ga sa chi akrok ma tha khai hing ga za la ja ma thai ga ma ga za sa ga dam rao chi ke sai no ya che na jo wak shi bang bang lan ga be miao se miss win so I thum wang ma tha la ga na ga le thum le ngana phala gai rock shot je na la sami gai wang ning sila gai re atam gi jida itum na request ka sa adam dharan le la ngahan ga mili shit lo rang rong mili shit fulo gi hila ishi Tangkhul Geoscience forum mai mathunen la poli shit ngai dele mathunai na nali la ning shi chunga phong shok li shit le gi hi hang ka ngai ne lum la gai na ishi wi program hi zata dele ara itum na hunaga itum we discussion we our gra le ose maning la jang la ring phala kai ning na kai dai tum mai pan hor jam ri en lai lai kai tum ji lat lui shi da itum discussion our kai ka le ose chena ara itum kanawa discussion sada jang career in sciences and related fields hiwi madang li miss leimiwon zimik atang introduce sa meri jang ana kiga khika mi re chena ai hi ari assistant professor sada kalini kalisat lekla ja cover ari hika Ramlal Anand College Delhi University was English Ramlal Anand College li assistant professor sada kalini department of geology li chena gaji gita na tum Delhi li ka ga matam dharan li atum ekang jon lag chunga na tum sambang pai ji hang ngai ne a hi hangko kapung village we na ne ari kika DEPT la bersu sa dak lei nei nganui la gaina assistant professor samgapang ngala na wa kane Chena itum wang an ariramati miaurina tum kangade YouTube kata kangade recording le tele kata le atum kachunga function le zat kai mia gane inatum gate le kachunga zang bu mai rejang Chena arana itum le hiwi sciences college we related fields le an itum le atam gishugara khui mira Chena ya recycle na Miss Le Miwan le akshi welcome sakwise
Chui mong na sanar do. Katay ping na na san katay ping wi tui jing na sanai la yu wa mong na san baim go. Last Tangkhul Geoscience Forum we mine. Jau kita isin organize ka sa sau kita yang. Atam ji katay ping na matui ye la ka katay je last few minutes ji ili khumi sa ne wo. Acham chak si jang ji yang. Laga hili na hi kuplung ra. Laga topic ba ili chung mai chi mi. Laga ara sciences we mang maning la armed forces we la na jang lo jilu he de la. Chen armed forces we la kadiao ka include sara plus no with success story la hang lo jilu he ne. Laga 20 minutes mati lo. Gijine chen ara hi katong yi summarize how ge jine. Then thuma details ha mai da thenge ka ili personal context amilo in a number thada you number la mira sare jena thada khui minalo jena kasikla sikta le kasiki ring bhat le delhi liwa thada gdio go gloomy sai ka the weather is so romantic ituna ya jena as romantic sala kai weather ne da phaning ga sane ka sa hen lui kai jeda jot lui he ne ya excess of everything is bad jamo Chen sikla gain hilipom gasane. Ariji la salaga. I don't want to talk about it. The sergeant the music jili zang lui hene. Taifin sali laga hilitapom laga. The ki mamele dream side. Chen la sangai na ye la satenge na ye ka Kujungjan hangde iwa lam satem I'm just a bathroom singer. Hangde iwa ju level makashung. Jena kada ga jiga la sangai ga bathroom li lam sak ling jwai man de la ya ikla de lam sa ling ne ka la wang na ye lang na la ga bus kada iwa travel sana de jena bus ka thali no gari li no la jing na la ga ina ga sawi mo ngai na dream sa jit la e kai ka na tum la sa ser le re jena ara itum na atang no thor we ne li khra we na ngana so na re career guidance counseling he traka apong traka nang nai re ya the what exactly is career thakawa hi pa hi theng yi jit la muni ma then the topic aka ma tuition ga ji ka topic ji khi lak le ji phap ma ta kha na hi mathala ga thai chaw mu ji gi ji ne wo jena thada definition na trak le ye in baji detail ma volume re ka okay tada hi picture now hili yang ose dai in tada iwa prefine na tong hang dam yogi ko summarize sam yogi ko jena itum na career je ka wa tada we need to have an ultimate goal itum ambitious sala kotong hi hi sangai ge ji hi le share da khaine manimna juwaina az ra ga la maning ka wa hya ka sikli ki ba ne hi rabam ka sikhang la ga rabam re yang ka ja pingai ka pi tv angai yang so naw ling so la ga da yauti za chare jena itum na career ga ja tam li ba athang issue madam na la hangai de skills la leira itum we tada interest later he could ong hizang khaine for example na shimhi mathala gaina decoration na hi tada pangthem ngai na je yang tada thing aga hi thaiga thing tada wooden block aga hi thai mathai bai ji sem ngai na je design sangai na je ta ji design sangai ka na hi ki path career ri wai thum the path in the jili wangai ji ya ameng ji mili wa sam phangai ji kara in the
mất giật lắc là mình gì mình liu sắm phong ngay nào là cái thằng bầm đượcเลยgiờ chỉ in ở party cái thằng giật ra in ở hili yak giật cái bài mình cái hili yak giật ra chỉ mà sao vậy là cho nên part in ở hit giật vào cái gì này giờ chỉ ít một yêu career này tiếng yêu ultimate goal vợ mình gì mình sắm phong cái gì in ở sim hi design sang ngay nào gì sim hi design sang ra chỉ cái iki career party chu sara chu path paji the nahi in a data science vilera saruko kai hiwi data science biotechnology forensic science food technology hiwi li ora sareka athang madam na hang guys li medical wi li hangai re yana an neatly focus ai for example na medical wa wangai ji medical line li zat ngai ji khan nahi neat wa ma thangai gi ji or neat thal ka pas ma sa tu ji no we passion by hina no we interest by hina na medical line needs ngai ji there are options so many options either you go for BSc biotechnology the biotechnology lawa pae or you can go for BSc microbiology la ari itum few years back itum covid kotong ka suffer sa ser dem nim na chu vaccine or cancer with vaccine pakosok he will research satak like kotong ka hi microbiology sping na ji va pai yang kila ari nit mathala la medical line ni zat pai then there are so many courses so many endless numbers of courses thada va pai jen are data science liung se he data science in a list for matimie dak le hi thada maybe relatively new kha tsalala arava job prospect hi every company is none ara khwalo hi tamkhuye ga na you won't be jobless kotong ga ta sam engage ne for example data science have you ever heard of data science okay you might have heard of AI artificial intelligence ML not mobile legend it's machine learning okay jena he data science na he ML array machine learning AI he data science we na grane yeah data science hi jamsa da ndum kotong ka Facebook Instagram sincerely nimna laka na hi thang ka hi Google li search sayang ga na hi if ndum kai ka online shopping sala kai mile de hiliwa mathem ne ja ka kana as you step out cities live online shopping sana hai lete il online shopping sai kambar la kai na ma samne ka ta sai the in a thanga hi the Amazon lila or Flipkart lila the browser kasan chon kai ka yang kai or let's say t-shirt aka yang kai automatically aram in a Facebook jang jen ju advertise rata ra sa ma thai lak to thai de yang kyuwangain do hi it's all because of data science yang the data science ku laga every companies he data science or data scientist or data analyst he will job opportunities strong later in top institutions IITs le rather only around 4 colleges in India le sane are Bangalore le da ka St Joseph ka thal sampang re thala kaya data science program hi lawa pai jena data science sangai data scientist sangai je ka are nahi mathematics strong sab lungin statistics jena computer science he lina computer science li PhD no graduation ni computer science and aside or mathematics and aside or stats and aside je ka nahi data scientist master's program ni data science khuilaga data scientist banai pai cover you need to have a very it's a data science requires strong knowledge of mathematics stats and computer science yeah then next it does a biotechnology in athang mentions have my biotechnology lava by and it has lots and lots of scope in the field in medical science liru no kadai liru no no you can be the first person or you can be the first among Tangkhuls develop a genetically modified crops. Name like biotechnology salaga. That he genes being or genomes that katong he DNA analyze salaga the lab li pom ngai ka pom field li na ot sabai surgery biotechnology ya. Jena are forensic science. Have you ever heard of forensic science? No, yes. Kanini jangdale. Detective sangai do. CID with series chime angai do. Kediau ka arava hi forensic science hi traka tada darkar sada khaidla. Chikava population la chungsang maman, crime la chungsang maman, chimang maning la idum hi technology la advance maman. Nema series ta yang ka iwa Sherlock Holmes we fan crime and detective yang ai na jin jena atum na ka ta detail sa le crime with Cindy wala ka ta sa le sangai na jin jena ji sangai ka na interesting sa le ka wa no investigation crime investigation runo aka ta sangai are forensic science tambai yang next food technology क्या खाना food is hard ले तो आतंग वे refreshment कमी जले के बाद जुंग में थी शाय शाय बाजार हमने माँ जिजी खचुंग तो शायंग रो खाए जाते निगाह में था ले जेन food technology ही ल प्रांचा कने one of the very short career पाता कने तो तरा खबर मवालियम रे का pat vào cái yêu khởi trang là hàng phật này chứ nào tâm lên này pat vào cái yêu khởi trang chẳng ai mê này nè ok chứ nào thằng in CUT với hàng cái gì á nó chúng là chỉ list sao vậy đấy brochure bali bài mất sang mi chui nè cái article vậy nó chúng là đặc cả sao cái vậy nó details chỉ thật là sense mi nào bài sir là mention sai rồi cái anh thật là hiểu bài là February cái thằng li là hàng ai cái bài nó tentative dates ne 2024 we class 12 kup khai ping 12 thagi ji ping wang wa most important very important jena hi pai hi khui pai re jena for UG courses and for PG courses no thum we amai ngara achon ngara gazin ping ro no khongnai na ping ro no masters graduation sa tak le kha masters tamki ji le kha wa hi information ni na thum na la hang memro nai pai re hi tentative date ne not exact but hita the sababam re 1 or 2 days difference le salo bai cover tada hi bai hita sabam re next move on sau kai chen ara defense forces atang sarnava police we lines at kai ne karava ibanava army we song wau kai police and army gas ba man me do army man me ya in jena in a man ko me ba chu sa hai ne wo army cái thầy à ít đọc sao mà ý chứ trên là ili army mi hết này là gì yêu về cái tầm nào á army officer và chẳng hết này graduation BSc geology sao là cái gì và chẳng hết này trên nào quen là information khui mà man là cái thật hi bài cái điều cái ít thùng yang room sẽ discuss sang room sẽ China itum na defense services, defense forces China ko thumsa da lego Indian Army, China Indian Air Force, Indian Navy. China aya chon thang thai school visit sa dai kai khana wa Navy sangai ke je lego. Je kai khana wa Air Force mang lak jil lave. Air Force ning jang na jila. Air Force ka sa bing hi chak nai wo. Yang kacha malem ni wo jan antum chokra tak lai ping hi why don't you go for Indian Air Force why don't you work jan Indian Army yang hi bai na Indian Army na land Indian Air Force na air jan Indian Navy na water amai horting sir horting with that what atum na sea ocean ni gazan ya atum idum hi ocean ni lo boundaries le de are countries ping the ji atum na ji yang sang da khai ne chen iwing so now Indian Army wa land wa tra hale jine jenna atum mrakli kharchan ha hang jine atum hi ashi kutum hi la hakmai ng paing rogi jo jenna atum hi combine atata rumak lima pom pai ni che tu khang phat na yang da ka jiban hakmai lakle je tum am te tre da ji hi officers level in our constable ka taw achingai na ma achawa jiba ji discussion samro ko ara itum hi science way or itu mi ketam nau jang inda yang atung yang se atung target chau sem ni ma chena officer rank na hi na officer with rank with structure ne firstly na hi jangra juthili ta da kama man da khaine hi khi mo mai le sign hi star wa the kate je lam de tu re ka hi yang lo hi ka hi na ka jang atam chi tran hi lieutenant na wa jangra Captain, Major, Kamaman, rank ji Kamaman ki jine. Jene hi more in tada interesting sak mai slide wase atumui tolop, ya. Hey, tolop hi mang manium go hili hanga jithem ne hili allowance si chungmai dara ta fagi jine. Jene hili arava after maybe 5 or right after this or maybe after 5-6 years. Hili Navy traka Zangdak le or Navy Sampang or Indian Air Force Sampang Indian Air Force li what's the officers level and or what's the guy Sampang cover oh jitangon career guidance raga zangatam no bing no mo have da ge jinje jena I detail wa ma value ke tada yang ko lo ya jena hi na hi atung li sangai da kai training sama monthly laka 56,100 hi stipend atum le salary da mazan ne stipend ne na samang ge ji ko jena arawa ka tha da wajang usi wajang khawa NDA exam ma shala ga do UBC na conduct sa right after 12 tha bai he ko NDA he NDA tha laga wajang bai he ne or na a I gudeu khatam wa fuke subject ka la tha da thai laga wajang nau ge je khala CDS exam yang combined defense service exam UBC la UBC na conduct sa after graduation na hi la wajang bai je na hi juwe attitude ari India le academy atumwe Indian defense service we academy mati le training quick wayang taji na Indian Air Force or Indian Navy ngatai da wajang re ju detail wa ma ta lu ke ka hi katai entry level entry hi ngatai de sabai low na low wa ta mai la gal na defense service li ungai je kala ungpai juwe entry lang de le not only this kaina wa most important the most common ba je hang mi da exan na engineer sai laga engineering vai laga as hi defense pali ungai na ning je gai tra le go ta ni ji ning je ga or ta engineering with knowledge le ka le ngai ka defense pali ning sang ma yawe je ga wa je engineering with level line la juwe entry lang dai da le exam hi ma tha sala la yang ngatai entry ji ngatai da le details in thada sen chami nore or ndum na chungmei da thengai khawa chiba ji le personal contact la sami bare ji information ji katai ja mi pai jine jena the reality ara khuwangai na career guidance in athang hangar da khuwai na career guidance da gar sa khai in a jili poina kha ji increased competition level high sana ga ara hi na NDA pasa hai na CDS pasa hai ji pasa hai salala athang madam na hang hai na IITs IIDJ exam thai NEET tha hai qualify sa ki ji wa paina je cut off qualifying cut off pa ji wa paina je ja pasa pai hai karawa jili academy jili training jili wajang ra kam ma jang ra khai ji bahin kasaktala yana NDA pasa la CDS pasa la SSP the yang selection service board jiwi interview aga face off gi ji chimi sho phanga thangon na le interview khu gi ji stages data stage khania that it's a very intense interview ji interview ji crack sa sabai laga na training center ji walaga training ji ku phaina officer sa gi ji na NDA thara CDS thara or any other entry level ji tha khai wi chili SSP the le service selection board interview he face sara china main thada thum UPSC prelims le mains le usually interview le manimna chỉ có đông cái Greg sắp luôn cái này chỉ là đó hiểu cái đông cái chỉ là Greg sai này cho nên hiểu statistic tiêu của mấy lấy đây around every year he around approximately 6 lakhs candidates na CDS exam he measured la. And out of that approximately let's say 7,000 candidates na qualify sa exam jia. He qualify sa ye ka seats vacancies wagya to 349 or let's say 350 vacancies leji 350 seats leji the ji 6 lakhs na 350 wang compete sa tak le competition ji high ma sat le do sat le de yang the competition hi ka high sa khai dam ji tran lai pause ji ka minute phanga lai har laga pet naw li pa mai laga har laga phon ta pi wa hai net phanga ma gal la yang laga as kachanga ka le yu syllabus cover sara laka akhama panawra ache thada minute phanga yang laka 11 hour ra khai na chapter akhama cover sara lakaus ne lastly syllabus when chapter akhli compromise sa sau chapter when la topic bing hi important sal bai bing hi paus the lastly wa topic pa chi chu sal laga ta wa tha ji gai ida ka wa idum hi ogchuli show arwa hi as you step out and as you face the world na deserve sa kam sal le do hi reality ne meaning jen ara reality li face ak vai khitar kar sa to itum ye it's not only the hard work now hard work is ara je ka you need to be very determined determination hi hak program nim na jen a kadai jil ji ne ina kadai hi ma pa ta lu ke thada yang au lo ya nzum na jen a atam la kya dar lem them ne ka yu kharjan hang bok re in a school guy actually visit ka sali la ka hangwa ka jangwa jangai de ka no tum na shai sal mak sha sal la thang na mi lyo lo chen na I nui le la ka I St John ni ka sa ji ni wo class 1 to 4 hi St John ni ka de chen na class chi ka le la ka hi what is your aim in life ishi class teacher na han ji le ishi class ko dong ling han what is your aim in life chen na my aim in life iling han chen na I want to become a sister. Yeah, none. I want to become a sister. Kiwanga jika St John ni ka le ka hi secretary KG school we swing ka da slide da hwai ji ji zang reu ngai ji ka ji zang reu ka sister na khrar hai je da idum yu gapning le wa sister sai ka wa anytime I ngreu pai ji le ji ngreu khangai wai na I want to become a sister je na ka teo khrar mai je na class 5 6 ka je na what is your aim in life jena phamada lagla I want to be an evangelist dang chai hela kiwanga ijba jai lamde ne ka I want to be an evangelist jena kateu kharar mai jena ara tv dai yang maman na kai na tang bang la iwa Sherlock Holmes we fan ne da Sherlock Holmes series Sherlock Holmes we ka movie ko shok tong ga in 5-6 times revision sala ta da yang ga ne da ji tha ka yang man na ga what is your aim in life? I want to be a detective. Jele ne je. Kaka thada sara ge jama thaine thada keep on changing. Jena detective whichli iwiji class 9 10 ka jena what do you want to become in your life? Jena I want to be an engineer. The one ri ne. The class 9 ka dam jili ning wa jang bogai sa dei thum ying nu la kai na rar khai ne wo. Jena ning wa jang bogai sa yo. Kan ning jang e jega yaron la shong nim go ning jang e jega mirin wi shong ya jena jili class 9 10 class 9 adam hili arwa I magazine balaga IIT hi I came across IIT laga IIT wi placement athang madam na la tra hangar time ni ma placement ra laga athumli offer sa dak le paisa ki ba maning jang le ra ya nali aru paisa mi kam koi marla koi ra ya nali luba cha mi je la luba chingkhni not mi je gas ba khoi ra chingkhni khoi ra la ni na kyuwang na paisa da ning jang la jena aro athumui tolop package yang la ga ili ning jang na khai aro interview hita the right placement in there not only about that but IIT Liwagzang is the most prestigious college in India in the country like in a governing IIT li actually once you step into IITs, any IITs, that your life is set. Ji you ning li jang jitla. Jena class 9 ga jena I IIT li watam plungra. I IIT nang sa plungra. Ji jile plan sa po kai niu. Jena I ngunui lagai na he table li kapam table chair we manner he we habit ba hi le. Jena you table hili you mangajang hili wall jili IIT we amma je magazine we na ji chap khwe laga nap sangai jine ji nap sangai laga to be an IITian you have to study hard da jili ka pisangai ne lairing ma pangai ga yang laga IIT li tamplung ra da lairing pa jena that is one of my motivation jena ili motivate sa jine jena aro itum traga guidance he pat traga hang ji der dem nima nahi sa paye nahi sa lo hi thaye hi tha ka da wasare hi tha ka now da hi da tolop hi da samang re traga ari she resource person ping la traga hang mer de kan na khala da hi nahi motivation ki khalam leje na khala da hi nahi determination ki khalam leje aram na struggle sa po ka dam ji aru re waring bhala ga na wa wa li po za po mang ga bam da kha ni Nana struggle chok sabok jena. Once you step out and once you start facing the reality, nana struggle chok sabok jena jili pain bogin frustrate sabogin. The only driving force nali fuel sadak le baje na kare kham tha lo gai ne thawro ma jang ka da zadura ya jena thawro baje jibaji dargar ga sane jena nali the options are what track here go he saka hita sare je hitra ka there go you aim in life je hine I sanga ye je na set saka go ka na motivation male ka na determination male ka tadana na he sala greg je stand ni mukoi na no with determination he strong ma sa ka na shattered saure a yearly shock laga yara na ping nang la kham tha shok thai nga na ping na mer kham tha shok thai jen na ning he divert how gauge yeah jen ari kutong han tamai le he everywhere thada I ga tong le mentions hade stopping by woods on a snowy evening Robert Frost way iwa poem ning jang la ge poem la ka pi thada itumi mirin le applicable sabai la khai ne wo poem ba ya jen another the woods are lovely dark and deep but I have miles to go before I sleep tang dem nim la jen na akashi chokai distraction struggle later ka what will keep you to the striving na ki na nali strive sarok le jika ba ki na nali give up masang sang murgle jika your determination. In order to keep your determination alive you always need motivation. Jena iwe ina ka thaka jika ina chi thada nap sangai ji ili jina motivate sai ilai ma pangai ka you have to I give up ma sa paim ne ilai pare ilai ma pa kha chili ma wa jang rom re ji the jena lai ring pa kha wa ma wa jang rom re na first khungai ji kan na lai ma pa ji pishon chon ji first khwel la mu khwel ma de ya na NEET exam thangai ji NEET exam real la ga yaw thu shon ji NEET pasar la hospital level visit sa shon ji nei medical sangai da doctor li vai yang shon ji ka lai ring ma pa ji ma sa ram ra dem ni na jena you have to keep on striving you have to keep on working hard in order to achieve your ultimate goal. In order to attain your ultimate goal you have to have a very strong determination along with back up with time and time motivation hita gar sa son jine yana atang hangai da no way no ka da inspiration ji kuira jena iwa diary maintain sai iwa I love writing jena diary maintain sanai 5-6 diaries at a time da hai jena diaries jili iklate ya lay me one why do you need to study question mark sa lagai na point bing ji list down sa de shawe shawa tolo ma jam ne nglang phai laga ngau kai financially very very weak like ma tam lilo ga ji stage track rai obstacles track rai hurdles track rai class 12 ko pai laga na like ma tam lilo ma tam sakru lim re ga ji we condition li la yaw gi da imphal liberally admission ta sami admission sakhuye private school ukruli private school li teo earn sama man laga exam tha laga tata pam lo ji tata degree ba ji earn thalo laga exam thalo ji option that was the only option I was left with after 12 Jena but I was very stubborn why because determination ji hak na kai thangam tanga I 12 na matang tha thamre I 12 thakhui laga 12 withili IIT li wazang lakra gaji winning rin baja one day I have to become someone gaji baji hak na ta leo gite stubborn sana hail kai kana na chum guru ka sakla ma them ne ta tui ji tra ka ta khra la tra ka le ba me ta hili struggle the struggle is real he determination tata na tum just example I will life example tata hang mane example katai la tra ka matha ka mai la tra ka le sare ka I was very stubborn because I have an ultimate goal to attain Jena shawa le na hange I Bangalore li I otta sau ke I khamya milo I class 12 na dang dan thumna tamang sakai re okay very fine I klata support sau ke the permission waje da khui hai ne ikla ta support sara ta ot sara ta Bangalore li ta ye chinguma ga break khui laga chinguma ka otta sa ye parlor li otta sa jin chena kai kha beautician chat ngai kha wa thada basic training ji yuli ra khui vai re are kata da facial sara kata da pedicure kata da manicure sara je ka tong thai ser jin ji that's iwi skills tata skills acquire wa ka sane ta mata nar lak ne je ta sai sala le ta ji I jinguma ka jili otta sa ye ot sama man naga yung sono ping la tra hang de na to lop cha bo kai kan like matam ngai lim ru ko ta chen to lop cha ye ta ot sama man ne ka sala with each passing day like tam khangai ji hen khangai hen je ta like tam ngai ra I like tam khwai opportunity milo I like tam ngai Bangalore li ta ye Bangalore li in a struggle sata hai ji Bangalore li ka pamang we struggle sata hai ji in a Bangalore mirin ji in a kata ringai ji je hang ji ji wa ishi az he thada hili pisang aur jen ji wa ji mang ji skip sau ke jen ara jili samaman laka opportunity hi thada run la siak sa lang han kam ye equally you graduation sak vai opportunity samang haina jena coalition laga arawa I chinguma ka break leo gi da you juniors pingen na classmates how ge jena I need to work hard iklata thada remind sa chon ge jene jena quali ka thaka ji gaina you table lamolorjin table lamolorum ne college na you Shimji more than 20 kilometers apart. Kiwangka jaga college wingle me college fa CD alungli leogi da CD panaji ya. Jili leogi da I jili juingle mu shimpra bingja man saknau da ma pamram da village ak lewa bamjin. Da jili juena he shim juena college yu kwa hi 5 buses a day change salaga ji kazatne. Goa is a very humid place, coastal area. How get young? Chui got trot, chui tada kasawi ning karagu yang. Malung wat kangai jika paim ninjin. Mrakali wa malung wat naida. Why do I need to struggle? Why do I need to face this much trouble? Tada question the sakful gazajin. Come, haka jika. Actually, college wagagai hi more than around 2 hours kazatne. College waka galia ta ji pas ne ya pas aka wanga chera wa khamra chile ngaraira pas aka nge che khuli ra ta da khwan jena ara chile you juniors league classmates how ki da pai lei pak fa tom la mak le ni mo chu kyang ro la ba ngothor pung thruk makhai 640 ka thai na chat khai hing ya jong pung shini ka thali han gong ne ta ka va lei pak fa tom la mak le ni but direct pai I table moloror je na mi we ari shim khong nai bing we cartoon box ka tha je kwa fa khui la ka cartoon box si pai lap sai la ka ko chon ham sangai la ka chili pa ni iwa petli bi la ka petli pam la ka lai pa thai jin je na ji hai la ka tha je na kwali pam le lai tam da le ka ina ning chang ma che je table hi ilik miak na lo mi se kya ring ba je table lo lo khar je ta ji tha la ka pa jin the struggle sai lairik pai college when college khwa song thor song wa lai pa ro thu jin ji ta da wa hai ne pung 640 li zat khai ta ji wara pung 7 around 7 li hanung ra za tham mung hang ra za tham hang man ga lairik khai la ga ta mi kai khana wa thai si ja bai ning sang krek thim krek ji re ka ta kya si hai la ga ta hang ma man la ta ban chena ka kamra khali wa ka kang ka thala tra le chat kang khai han kang khai yang ta chi pamaman chi tha pamaman ne ngtho chi tha da pung chuko I used to have my dinner at around 9 to 9:30 after that chena pa pho kai I keep on ta da like pa pho kai ka tha kha chi ka tru mang na ye trika kai na mi ge nthum lai pa pho kai ka sikla la tru mang lo na pinga ha tam ning chir nga ka you have to na va plung ra jilla jiling chir sang ba ning ga yang thing gar la ga va plung ra jili ning chingao jilla ai na bottle tha da phanga thuk la tha da mang da jin da mang la ga tha da pa ge ni tha da pung around thor pung ma ti ka li pi ra 2 hours ka tha pi khui la ga tha da chat lui he ne je the struggle was real but it was worth it yeah in a table jili carton box ai na sem gui sa la table jili in a ishawa we aming pisang in a lai ma pangai lak ja tam le de ta lai wa sak the ka da share khak ngai je ta lai ma pangai lak ja tam jili ka tha kha ji ka in a why do I have to study in a khilale diary le ka pisang khai ji har la ka pa khanek tum chila pa lui you table jilung younger in a shawa I have to make my parents proud I have to make my mom and dad happy nya cha ga chot la ka ngalang phai la ga nganaw ka hai ji they deserve to be happy they deserve to be proud nimna chena I will give them what they deserve shawa we aming jung yang aming ga bisang hai jine na aming jung yang la ka ji that was also my motivation to study to keep on study to keep on striving jena jitha ta sagaye gwali university we rank 1 tai jena go we deputy chief minister ne li sponsor sai master hi matam sakro limra ji khene ka matam sakro limra jang thum dai na IIT jam exam wa tha hain jena klam hai la gan je pasa ha IIT li finally in a class 9 li siasa sangai IIT ai na thata ning mu chukai IIT li thangam na watam lagraj after 7 years run ling chung sakde then after 7 years IIT li watam khu ye in a dream sara khai in a siasa ra khai ji thata nglang damang han ga mem ne ka after 7 years it took me 7 years thata run a siak sang han ga khmi ja then 7 years itili I was an IITian then master chili wasa khuye after master ji khisau sikle the pressure ji mar hain ina tang hangai da expectation family na society na expectation ni mar na haidla o chaulo jot nai re o chaulo tolop chaulo ji ya chena khisau sikle pressure hi mar na gai dam ni chap cha da Delhi university li vacancy shokai chena da apply science ne apply science je jena adang iwe sister when kido evangelist when detective when engineer when the raman ga finally I became an academician jena arila research sama mandale this is not my final destination. It's just my initial, I'm just at the initial stage of my career, but still then, I still have to go more. In another hang kangai ka tha kha chika na khi sarak le jithe re no we goal set sai re no we chu we motive behind ji strong sap long re determination le plung re you have to keep on working hard na myang bing na 17 hours 18 hours like pa laga pabam de le hili 5 minutes pa laga pi hai ba china compete charam ralam ni na chena you have to thanga nala you'll become someone and make your parents proud, make your society proud. Yeah? That's it. The whole point. Itum na hi da do organize sa da kai hi itum leye da zatung zatwa la ga sa da kai nin de itum ka da do azak mathai dan tum mga ling ning da lem ning go ka hi we are very passionate about it. Na tum li chokra dak le bing hi please open up your eyes. Because you are going to step into the real world and the reality is very harsh and you'll have to face. And when you face that reality, you have to face it boldly. Jibaji hangkai ne jena thaugi dak lebing tamagi dak lebing tum sai korali no tum career mahai meruno and become someone tum the flying color na shokrono gi hangkai ne ning share.
Ring bado, ring bai jang, ishi miss lay mi won, challenging sala kahai, ngalana wakane, ana ari gang thade, ngala kam tham ning ni jing lamam thado, che ngala kam tha, mathai da hangra sir le le da da nang lamam tham dang bai ki da, che na ishi geologist bing hiva, thade. Itum na mam dham ni kan itum na mam tha is le re ma chai lak leang che ki tha tra ga jang le re che ne is geologist ping va challenging sala gai ge chung ga le ye story la ge chung ga le ye are miss le mi won ha ngai re jang awi career cha nei ning so da success story nang so de itum le career we pong li la ma tha la gai na tam mi ai re ning si sia ye na dum ge tong ga chi mirina ka we career jan ge ji hi just within 10 minutes li na dum le highlight sa kam yu tu ni jang na dum na life na ji ang khisi ji ba na dum le hak mai kar da motivate sa la ga na dum lang mai kar da struggle sa ngai ga la hot na ngai ji na dum li ra pai re che na na khi gai hi na dum ning li hai tit la ga I direct tam se de le hi tha da a I ning kha ne na tam ba la ga tang hau ra ga ji ma sa la struggle sang rok sar la ga I ji jaw we problem ji side le hai srai la ga me sle mi wan na I thum ni kiga share sami gai ji atam ga ji da pning la ga I thum ga shapai nang da I thum motivate sang sak shon se ga ji hi da thum li chi la po ngai ne miss le mi wan I wang I thum ga to ngak si pang ma lai ga pe mi se ning si share I si miss le mi wan le I thum hi atam la ma lai thre atam mai ti shu da ot ka sang sa ho ga da I thum continue sa wa ka bai atam hi sangla kai na ma lai thre kep ma lai thre cheni I thum khuna go ya long li kup sang ga bai wa atam la ra lu au re lai sila ga na zum ni la nga pak ho ga jik shuk lai la ga chena ara I thum hi kanaw sa da khamang lai de le chiu di le thum lot of things ra la ga sorry I thum questionnaire hi I thum ka shapai nang da sa ga bai hot na de le ka da shi mai de I thum ki ga hot na wi la sa shik la ji ba ji khang ran sa de le chena ju ya chi shu da I thum hang ra sa re chena ara I thum hi adam ga sang ga ma jang sa ri se I thum success story khuna ga shi khamang sa la I thum ngana rom ga bai sa se chena Mr. Ngazip mi cha hong hi athang le introduce sa me ri jang hi ga thak le ji ga geologist I thum ki ga wi shong ina hang se ja ka ba geoscientist la za di jang I thum GSI CGS GSI Geological Survey of India li hi geologist sa da geoscientist sa da le de kleni kala chili lang mai ka da na nui la ga na athang hangai re de singkum 22 na wa jang la ga ot sa ga sa phok ga hai officer ga ne ai hi thakla ga na nui la ga we na master mu go prang la ga JRF ga tha clear sa ga ke ga tha clear sa la ga athum ot jang sa ga ne chena ji are achakum maning sorry ajukum Jang President Award kami itom National Geoscience Awardee the India li Geoscience pingwing chai li mi mak ka thamang ni kami ni chiwing chai li kazang kika mia kani chena kika challenging sala kai na satak le officer kani project kachung ka singa dale project chiko singai re GSI wa longli survey itom moi portal line ni lag chung ka sa zat le chena survey kita mapping kita sa khami chung ka le le kala publication lag chung ka sa gai ne PhD ma sa la sa le PhD ka sa bing wang ma je normal ni jang ka jita da sa la ga le da le kane do da khane chena ana la hun ga issue wa long hili atam khui mi haurno laga itum mathang mathang zata vai sau se atam la sang de la mu khui li vai la request sa le cho ishi sarang ze mili saigor na akshi welcome sa gise
minute phanga lim lang rayo arui hang khai tha da othi jingum magda khani I jingum thaka do char kha I arui lam magda khani tha fa ya zakpo ha mom shung la ili yang ga kiban thumra langar ji da gai kha ili class of tam gup tharai da hang le ha chena shamla gai na minute phangang zek na sai success story hang lo jogi da ishawa wana ngunui le ga hang shon khai yang really thailo number 1 number 2 odd pangda salo work hard yang chena ishawa na aka hang shon dai na India ara ithumui north east lipam laga IR shokura cheka khru laga zat ki ko ngru ji ko yang kafna khur kot laga zat da hinda chitha ga zat thai khai sa lo ji hi le hang bam shon ji nai ta arui hon ra phap tai ishawa na meaning ji ki context sai na ga hang khlai ji ba yang ji context pa na va ithum hi live we compete among the tribals ithum tribal now sare yang ara manna shock chain na chili mayang naw ka them lai sak ji tai ithum na level ji hyak them kha thum hi phaigar sha them mai ga lai da kai ko chain na ithum hi ngr thai phlung ra akhur hi r la ga zat ki ji na athang wi agate in hang ser dem ning agate ngulung gui hi le akhur ka khru hi kya ka sak mau sak da yang da ji chik tha mong ai na arui isi miss lai mi won la hangai le je na ma paim ne yang okay je na ina la sia sa shon ji ji ba ba mai I IR shok khai ji li okay vere hi ok thu hi vre na semar dem ning na discovery sa ga vre na mi ba bam ra maning ki any discovery on this earth vre li po kha anang han ga mi jin da sham la ga nam ning yang chithaugi da inala khriya waina lairik katam li labai exam ki katha labai ili general category na pasang sak milo yang ji sia sai ishi department li od kasal labai exploration sak zat labai sambhang sak milo commodity khamatha sambhang sak da nation we growthly kana ka bai khwirang sak milo gi ba he od mang nam nim dai no od sambhangai laga if you cannot make an impact then idhum we odd we satisfaction ni khavat tai mumshong dia no na football rew thai the football just ngrew bam laga purpose chi ngamita mama nai khama kana lui chi yang or boring sa thui khai hi ji lai dai chai da purpose pa hi mathara gai lai laga thada in a society li impact lai nga ye IAS maning nei IFS maning nei IPS maning nei in a society li ung laga athumna saksham thadam sami shap nei yang ka ajon dhangwi arui award sambangai da gangi discovery science li idam periodic table li scandium titanium vanadium periodic table thai ya jili scandium titanium vanadium chromium manganese iron cobalt nickel jena ji iron jena cobalt manganese yang hi bing hi apamak li wa go discover vaksano okay jena ji discovery gasaw wang ara metal hi India li ayur khni le war kana la kai na ra ishi Indian government na concentrate sadak lai number 1 hi strategic minerals number 2 critical minerals yang jena critical minerals je ga war country na targar sana dak lai khamal lai ji ko yang strategic minerals country na targar sa na lai da hen kal lai la ka te na mang lai da hen ne jena hikna strategic minerals hi wa pha shok ji wangai na India we growthling jonai re ji wang ithum we hard work hi appreciate ka sa the award sam ga bang ne okay jena da na thum now the any field level by doctor engineer what and what not ishi aj cha thang dai hospitality wak la hi la chi la the hi wak hi li la ithum na impact lai ngai ye je ga if we understanding attitude of really first pore if low key angle line impact rather we never know yang key angle line impact rather ji very na hang ji time right plus ana sem ga yok thui sau gi dan hang sai bam in a currently ngulungu he ya phazan go I ngulungu thai jon ga thai pian nai da yo sa nai bai nim la ngulungu bong za chon da hin da ji kri ga in za chon yu pang na yang no hi more wak arui jing ham le kang la ga khong da he ya da ji ngalungu hi thai san nai da mrak khali wa a ka jang mang ningot nei chai bai ho kha vren key angle line na impact khirang sakra aru in sa khai mai in general tangkhuli in contribution ja kha malai sam la bai kha for the growth of the nation ara cobalt manganese madai gain manganese thum railway track ka thali steel sing da hai dem ning jaina iron na carbon hen steel shock ai jilla kara manganese around 13% sangai ga pura super hard steel shock kai no chi thai ga wara hi ithum na railway track li la bai ta wherever industrial requirement yang ithum we marala khai steel targar sa hi chili sing ugi nai jilla the manganese resource la teo gi da it's very significant for the country's growth yang na cobalt ka tha hi na ba chi ithum magnet super strong magnets ka tha hi chi tha hi sem mai gi nai plus it with jet plane any turbines kada hili cobalt hi sing mai da hi nei ta so ukrol va contribute masara sai jilla at least issue with industrial growth country with growth va contribute sau gi da really ning shek je ba hi first hangai jen I thum na la kotong in the national wing ishi da ojang ra bing ra da like kotong hal hang ngai ban da ba very na source sau gi da I thum hi pore phlung rai plus anang han ga miru no ya ji hang ngai nei ning shna ko
Ning shiri ishi sir ngazit mili la itum le awe kharajan mathala kai ni itum le hang jite mi da nang tumla kai ni itum le share sa mi gai jiwang ara itum na kika questionnaire hi question kala answer ngahan ga khamyo tam hi itum khui ka ngai lage keda sala la atam hi huyai re kala tangmang hau gi sai da shimai da sa ga pai we apong ga khui ka se na thum na la ka shima sa mi lo chena question ba chi ishi dr horting na ki ga sala ga pa shok la ga ngahan ka mi ga pai ba ji ngahan ka mi aur no or concerned resource personally approach sa gi ji pa ji la an hi pa hi le approach sami log jiba ji hang miao ron na thumli project are yaw da le ji chili every resource person with details sang mi da le chena chili feel free na thum contact sal mi laga phap ta khui mi log ji hi na thumli po ngai ni ning shla ke
pat pata laga pat ngan ka Hili question na interesting sala ke na hospitality kita we job hi masa ngai inferior sa me ola the question na ngan de le answer na no. Is there any scholarship funding for hotel management? Yes. Project originally jang sare need to question ni ka chungai re Chili pa lo. Does forensic science involve physics? Yes. Steps of practicing table manners while studying. Contact Miss Lemiwan. As a science student, what are the basic daily activities I could practice to make myself more absorbed in science? Back to the basics, study more. What is the best way to improve self-motivation? Chila success story ping jile context sam yolo. Akhana IFS exam wing a handle Indian Forest Service ka Foreign Service kilometer today. What is the criteria? Any graduate answer ne computer science we lang hantele NDA lakan nasawi jamang han kam rakha sangra you can contact me for that. Nextly is it very difficult to become a scientist? Hibaiva, yes and no. How difficult it is to pursue career in engineering or geology for girls. His specific salang the girls in handle. The result you can already see today. They are the living example. How difficult? It is not difficult. Jena ishi hena kupsangau kay pung matichap ne kara ishi chung nathayay dara. I think while going back, I think we may walk back with the head. Chung na knowledge stores ay de yang. Jena pro ari nashina sambang gai bing jili pa laga jili answer chung ka changay re de shi changay. Jena ngahan mi kai to ni ni shi re. All the best in your career.
Chikta jili scientist hot la je. Scientist salo. Pai na jine. Mo pai aru answer je. Kya ka cha jin da minute pang am gang la ga. Kya ka pai de je scientist salo. 아, 지네 어제 쟤는 밥다 스라이 레는데 마루 이질리장 야, 얘 밥다나 이질리 밤라가 아르엔서 빙제 뽕마티다 가이 밤다음 네가 다 가이라 저 아르 이시 급성 가바이라 사우제 링파나이 히다도 로나오 포베나 이톰 가직 무rum라가 히다도 디스커스 강으롬 ngana 강으롬 kal라 밥다 강으롬 퀴라 그다 클레히 히 이톰 tamsidak lwa tamle bonus point hi chena itum atam gijida hi paning ungjing gwaisa sei kala memory la recall sa wi gwaisa sei ari sir holding na hangai re thada kupla gai na ma sa wa pai thu da ki ga sa wang ne na tamle project mi dak leji chili la mention sa mi srai le re chena phak mang da le ka wa resource person bing la contact sa mi pai re detail sang sir le jang chena ishi Dr. Holding li ning sinai re chi hangai de le chena athangjili scholarship wimatang li kahangjili na ka pat tapsang miauge na dom scholarship apply sa bayar ko ka ji gi thana mathai sa ka wa NSP portal li janglo jang national scholarship portal li janglo laga jili jang laga apply jang sa mi sir lo iji cha na scheme apply jang sa ngai pong jang bangkui lo jang bangkui laga na dom na jili apply jang sa mi pai re last date ngawa hoge da ara state na ito apply kai namasing to the NSP portal hili ke tong register sa lagi apply sa gi sa the scheme ga chung ga jang da le jili jang ba khui mi lo applicable ga sa bing jina juati shu da apply sa mi lo ji hi na thum le announcement khamia gang sa le jena ra itum gup sang ga wai we atam ra hau se jena itum we a word of thanks kami atam hi kui kaung se jena word of thanks hi ishi Mr. Pamshim Gazingmei lecturer in geology Ukur Higher Secondary School Ali Atamidli.
Word of thanks him saming musangay kap jadam da we last adam li yang adam li pa thang dau gi ji yang ka musawai mda da hi hang phong ngau gi ji dai 지가 아주 위 프로그램 히 팔라게는 급상 사카이 히 다다 은통미 라 링파레 사레 젠다 이통미 쇼에는 라 링파 항에 야담 타이미 뒤다 really 닝시나야 다다 아야 존탕엔다 그징가 미로데나 다다 마라니가 다 프린시플 가이카 빙고 아스 나샤빙 마 조랑엠네 다 항지네 기왕래 지가 그징 로 자이가 다라 라가 센조세 파시바 이시야 브리파이너 나나야리 제다 다 오콘나 사진에 가라 다다 징함라 다다 호잠링 sak ningai lam thang sak ya chena itum jingren kup sangai re chena firstly really ning sinai ntum mi sak sa mangai na la ya chena issue resource person phanga bing ji assistant professor la niwan simik chena founder chena issue warin miwa chena assistant professor mion mi keinam chena lecturer Kreitan Phujam now chena software developer Misha Hungyo 아시 크라히 왕이 동미야라 땅콩이 레상 오기지네 제나 지망닝라 트라가라 상범들레 좀 나샤빙 좀 클라 어차빙 크라지 왕에나 이치 다다 레상 라가르 희망닝라 스쿨이 웅라가 하던 좀나 범이 감런 지미므런라가 레상 라그레 지 홉네 좀 미식상네지 제나 닝식 좀 하다레는 좀 리소스 퍼슨일라 하다 회사히 maranggai kami ninglang nei hi thada itumna chotlagena thada athumla atamla phaisa lok shok laga paiung pai wasa laga yang satung sa wasa la khungne hena jiwang la re nam dai me do somiro no ji hangai hena ar ishiwi committee hi DGF ka thar shon ne athang hangsire re jenda jiwi president secretary jenda organizing committee athumna thada mujukra kai sang ka kai ne 상난 도미왕 이도미왕 하던 무조건라가 삼이다 아리 라동라 나살라가 그타이 그참 기맥래 하다 그시 그사가 동 강가 사가에 웅충와충 찡리에 웅충서 지방 알아 덤리니 시득 정 하들래 옛날에 이투위 오거나이징 커미티 빙나라 힐릭 범로나 아랄릭 범로나 하다 둔둔 천천 라농 프린사 커미 하다 고라사 커미 인포메이션 기미 커미 지방니 시정 하대 러가 알아 이시 알아 페사신 둠나 샤 아당 떼고 한면신 사이래 페사 함장가 어떤 석세스 사바이 두지네 얘는 알아 이시 프레시던트 제나 세크레터리 아톰나 제가 DRI 아톰 트라이벌 리소스 인스티튜트 아톰 젠틀맨 커니크라지야 아톰 다다 아톰나 이tum이 왕 판닝 밀러가 페사히 다다 아저 펀 이tum나 란미게 얘는 파티시페이션 지 이tum나 레기다 아톰나 빨라간 이tum이 왕란 커미지 이왕 이tum이 석세스 사네 얘는 아르라 expect 사부세 아톰 맨날라야 러가 알아 next 리바 파크자위 프로그램 제나 학중 그메라 사과에 사세요 아주 이 회사 사이드 리밋 살라게는 응징다 미항 미차다 풍아 차다 풍아다라 하네 알아 next 리바 똥아 사과에 사세 제나 아톰리 링파나들레 제나 이슈위 DBC의 호네히 하다 뜬뜬 천천 파웅파와 살라가 이슈위 앵커 젠더맨 올리프나 하다 아시 아마이라 쇼게다 닥터 토트미야 리브렌 토트미야 알리 리퀘스트 살라가 히 하다 프리 모안시다네 앙야라 앙야나 복르가 프리정 없님고 앙야라 제너럴 붕치고 있는 라이트 놈다 샤미나 아줄라 아리라 응아라 몽랑 마이다 리래요 제너럴은 우사들리는 다지 개가 사닝래지 파이낸스 반은 사 오케이 닉시나야 아시리라야 아담 아밤 지가미라가 다다 머신 아시위 사운드 시스템 똥가미라가 그미왕 제나라 coming to the point 누tum리양 링파나에 다다 principal 그라 오자빙나 미야미담 tanto 누tum나 조라크미 다다 영라가 다다 이tum resource person라 누tum리 레시나들레 인데 누tum리엔 엑스나 advice 할라가 달라겐 아밍 번살라 secretary general secretary general committee 빙나 his 무조건 해 상해네요 가라 크레어가 이tum이 on 아tum이 on bucket money and 사이지 그 lasting 무삼니지 기왕래 지가 안 나간 거요 이외 쿠쇼지가 빠츠 이밀라 쿠쇼션 바이라 그지 왕라다지라 히야 제가 쿠쇼덕레이 인투미와 인투말 바샤크니 샥툼 핑레레 가 아툼 일이 랑무지 가이빙와 in terms of legs 그자네 지라야 더 쇼덕레이 팅드라 팅풍아 팅무고 이딱 쇼덕레네지 내가 히 피지버 무사션 바임네 지다이다라 그포히 클레 에네히 제나라 이시위 아주 DRI 능존나라 알아 넥스트 리버 다다 하크메 리를 살을 똥가 사파이라 세야살레 내가 세야사다 클레 내가 좀 도미다 클레 왜 혹시 사이코리라 닝시나이다 항해네요 내가 아담마 해 주로 닝시나이를 현등 오게
mầm say sao vậy chẳng mình luôn nghĩ gì đây rình pha cái mình có mỏi hè nên chỉ là ngay rồi ý ở chỗ bấm sim lên ý chấm lên ta đó aruya na mà tụi mình được lấy gì và sung na đó mà tụi đó comment nuôi tụi này uklong liver cha rồi ta được lấy này nên chỉ này nó đi là chẳng YouTube về rồi nên chỉ mình lấy con nó là sim liêu miệng công dụng cái nào đó chế đang miêu tả là nên chỉ chế rồi là cái ari itum người thằng nào rồi cục sang itum former program cục sang ai rồi cái hili cái nào sao được nên tụm li announcement cái miêu cái ari itum li live coverage à thằng là hàng bờ mai rồi the Tangkhul Express DDE đó cái đấy à xin cover sami đó cái này chế nữa nó tụm nó xem li cũng adam dharan li nó tụm ít cháu với school cái là số nào bình với representative sao được khả năng cái gì hi khui mi là cái ở gia bình cái là cái tụm nào bình là nó tụm li mi cái materials bình gì số nào bình là share sami lo xerox là sao khui maron mi rano cái là YouTube channel TTE li là ít tụm mi à chui discussion sa cái hi sambang mi pai rồi yang mi lo đó là nó tụm na tụm li hang mi lo hang chipun mi lo gì hi ít tụm the Tangkhul Geoscience Forum we showing in la no tamli po khangai ni ya risai ko runa resource person mathai mane cái tầm nào mà thấy mình ấy ở cha bình mà thấy mình ấy là sao mẹ bình mà thấy mình ấy cái đó người nè rình phá la cái nè cái là ít thường tầm khi sự cứ ngay rồi nè tầm chỉ thấy mình ngay rồi nè ra rằng là cái sự khi mình cái là tầm sai có rồi nên chỉ suy ai rồi là lười ta xâm bằng lịch sử nào gì